Zoom. As new window.
Preparing live stream. This meeting is being live streamed.
Heading level 1.
Press
Visual Studio
CMD
Heading
plus
level
to
1.
reach
Visual
the
Studio Code
pop-up.
involved. Heading level
The
2. Charts.
host
Heading
has
level 2.
started
Walkthrough.
broadcasting the meeting on YouTube.
All
Files
right.
Explorer table. Row. Files Explorer table.
Oh, sorry, I guess I'm hearing myself.
You can hear yourself?
No, okay, there we go. I kept hearing three different. There we go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another YouTube stream. This is an on-the-fly stream here. I didn't even plan anything, but that's what happens sometimes. So I actually have a special guest. Say hello, Lauren.
Hello.
Yep, haven't had her on my channel in quite a long time, so it's super exciting that she is here. And as the title states, we're talking about GitHub Copilot, and I'm going to teach her how to use it. We're going to be making some live Swift apps, potentially, and it's going to be a great time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Before I do, I'm going to go ahead and put this out on social media. Since I didn't schedule it, I want to make sure people actually know I'm live. And then we will get started. But Lauren, do you want to kind of, while I'm promoting, talk about like what your goals and aspirations are and kind of what motivated you to do
Heading level
this
1. Visual
today?
Studio Code involved. Heading level 1.
Yeah,
Visual
of
Studio Code involved.
course.
Character palette.
So,
Character
if I
viewer window.
can
Code.
get my
Welcome. Code.
computer, there we go.
Yeah, there we go. Shut off voiceover. There you go.
So I am oh my God, my words! I can't talk today. This is a good start.
This is how I feel.
I'm an assistive technology instructor here in Austin, and
Yep.
I've always been really interested in technology and all these different things. And I've been kind of in and out of the code space for quite a while now. And so I've decided that I want to come out of the Stone Age and start using GitHub Copilot and other AI tools to work on different things. So that's what I'm doing.
All right. Cool. So
Please, if you can, go ahead and share the live, share it with your friends, because I guarantee you I'm not the first person that needs to learn. So
yeah, and I tried to invite. Oh, I tried to tag you, but it was gonna make the post too long, so it's fine.
that's okay.
We will just adapt as we see fit
Heading
here.
level
And
1.
I'm going
Visual
to be
Studio Code
posting it
involved.
on
Heading level 2.
Discord,
Charts. Heading.
which is another reason why you should join the Discord.
Yes.
I'm going to be putting the link in the description. Since I did this a little differently today, I didn't have a full, like, my link tree, but I'll be posting that in chat. So you guys should join the link tree and look at all the links I have to offer. And those have all the Techopolis stuff in there. Speaking of Techopolis, as y'all know, a lot of these streams are in co-partnership with Techopolis. We can't forget about that. And, one thing I will say is that we have been doing a lot of stuff. Lauren, do you want to kind of talk about what you're doing at Techopolis? Because I don't know if people know that you're kind of working with us on the spare
Yes.
time.
So in my free time, I've been kind of helping out with some of the marketing. So if you see a post, chances are it probably was one of the ones that I either made or helped come up with, or maybe I don't know if you. I'm kind of working behind the scenes, so you may not see me a whole lot, but whenever I can, I'm helping out. So.
And that's really appreciated. Thank you. All right, let me post it one more place and we're good to go. And then we'll actually get this party rolling. Again, if you're in chat, please say hello. That way I know you're here. And then we'll kind of interject with chats.
Also, we've got some 3D printing going on in the background, so if you hear
Yeah,
that,
do you want to talk
we
about
got.
that? Yeah, let's talk about that. What is Michael doing over there?
So Michael is currently, it looks like putting the new filament in,
Okay.
um, getting it all taken care of.
All right. Good to know. See, all of you here 3D printing, that's what we're
Heading
doing
level
in the
1.
other
Visual
room.
Studio Code involved.
I'm in
Heading level 2. Charts.
my bedroom. And then Lauren and Michael are in the living room. So kind of how we
And
have it
he
set
may
up.
interject here, when he feels like it. So just be aware.
Yeah. When he feels like, isn't that the key thing here? All right, let me put this on Discord and then we'll be good to go if I can find the announcements channel. So we're gonna have some fun tonight, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let me go ahead and do everyone. There we go. Okay. All right, so let me see what we have got
I'm
going
getting
on.
all the things. My watch and phone are going crazy.
I know. And y'all, speaking of going crazy, I've been going crazy of how many subscribers I'm getting lately. It's kind of incredible. Thank y'all so much for all this, because you guys are helping me try to make this channel bigger. So you guys should definitely subscribe. And Lauren, do you have a YouTube channel?
I do. I don't know anything about it. If I find it, I will put it in the chat somewhere.
We got one person watching so far, but that's fine. Everybody can keep
So
coming in. Yeah.
I'm in the process of changing my last name. So my YouTube is under Lauren Flenner. And so you can find it that way.
We have a chat message. Welcome, Cody, to the stream. It says, "Hi, I love your channel." I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for
Hello,
being here.
hello.
Yeah, thank you. All right, Lauren, do we have everything in gear? We ready to get this party started?
I think so.
Okay, so let's talk about. First thing is, what are you trying to build today? Let's figure that out
Kind
first.
of just want to play around a little bit. I want to see what Copilot can do. I
Okay.
have some big ideas, and I just want to get more acquainted with what Copilot can do and how I can use it in Xcode and all that good stuff. So we could start out with like a simple to-do app of some kind. I feel like that's a
Xcode?
good start. Huh?
Really,
Files Explorer.
Lauren?
Active Use Wizard. App. Files
Xcode?
Explorer. Table. Row 1 of
I
5.
said
Selected.
to-do app. I mean
No.
VS Code.
Yeah, you said I'm
My
gonna
bad.
see what Copilot can do in Xcode.
My brain is like,
Yeah, I know.
I mean, they end in code, so
In some kind of code editor.
some kind of code editor somewhere.
Uh, all right. Y'all, this is so much fun. Okay, so we have, I think, another chat message. Oh, yeah. Okay, no. Oh, just a spammer. Y'all, if you want to spam, do that somewhere else. We don't have time for that here. Anyway, but thank you for the popularity anyway. So let's get this thing started. Before we do that, there's a few things that I want to go over. VS Code and GitHub Copilot are going crazy with updates. If you are aware, they have like an update every month, but lately they're having updates every 2 weeks. It's kind of crazy. And there's really no way to keep up with it other than they have a podcast. And Laura, this might be of interest to you. It's called Let It Cook. And it's where the VS Code engineers sit down every Friday and they go on the live stream on the VS Code YouTube channel. And they talk about everything that's new
I
in
am.
Copilot.
It's on in YouTube.
Yeah, it's on the VS Code channel. It's at Code.
All right, let me find it.
And the reason I recommend that is because they talk about all the things that are new and they talk about what's happening and like how to enable different things and how to get the most out of VS Code. And then another thing too is that like if something's not working with VS Code, tell people on X. Because what I have
Absolutely.
found is that, especially, I'm gonna name off a couple names so that y'all know. And these people are amazing. I talk to these people all the time. James Montemagno, he works at Microsoft doing something with VS Code. I'm not exactly sure. Sorry, James, if you're watching this. I don't know your full job title, but you definitely help people to learn VS Code. And also Pierce Boggin, he is the
Okay.
head of VS Code product team. So those are the
Interesting.
two people I recommend. There's also Bridget and Olivia, but I cannot remember their last names. Oh yeah, and one more, Bert Holland. I'm not exactly sure his job title, but he's an engineer on the VS Code.
Nice.
So, okay. So let's get this started. What's going on with my mouse?
Heading level
Oh,
1.
there we
Zoom
go.
floating video window. Zoom floating video window. System dialog.
Okay, so let me see. So
This meeting is
right
being live streamed.
now,
Heading level 1. Visual Studio
I
Code.
think what we need to do is make a to-do list.
Okay.
Is it,
I feel like that's
is
pretty
it,
simple, right?
so the first thing that I usually do when I make a product, now you don't have to do this if you want to do it, whatever, it's fine. I make what's called a product requirements document, aka PRD. And what that is a list of requirements that I want this thing to work with. And the way that I do that usually is I actually go to chatgpt.com and do it. But again, you don't have to do it. For this, you can decide not to, or you can decide to do it. The reason I have the PRD is like that way I can say, okay, this is in scope, this is out of scope. But because you're playing, I don't, you don't need to do that. But that's just something I recommend everybody if you're doing something really serious like I am, right? Make a PRD. It's a product
So
requirements document.
let's talk about it. What are some things that are in a product
Heading level 1
requirement
Visual Studio
document?
Code.
Yeah, let me get out my template. Let me find it here. Let me find my template. Here it is. So let me go through it section by section because I want to make sure I get it correct. This is my template again, thanks to my friend
Okay.
Jeff. He gave this to me. So thank you, Jeff, if you're watching. Waiting for VS Code to load. So just give me a second. There we go. All right.
Is that in VS Code, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm making it in Markdown, so that's what I recommend. That's what I recommend. So let's see here. All right. Let's see. Thank you everybody for watching this channel. I think I got another chat message, so I'll address that in a second. All right. So let me grab the PRD. Let's go through that line by line. Not line by line, but we're gonna kind of talk about it. And I might throw it in chat. This is for a product we're working on. All right, product requirements. Okay, you're opening in cursor. Whatever, just open in something I can read it in. Okay, and that one's blank. Hold on just for a second. So, this is a great start. Let me go back. So we have okay. So usually I start off with hold on. Okay, here we go. There's a PRD. Okay. I'm opening it and it's in cursor. Fine, whatever. So we'll talk about cursor in a little bit, but I'm not worried about that for now. So I first start off with product requirements document PRD, and that's a H1 or a number sign in Markdown. And then it has like a overview. So it has like document information. So product name, version, right? So that's like the document version.
Mm-hmm.
There's document version and then product version. And then last updated, I just have the date of that. Author. So in this case, it's Techopolis Online Solutions. And then I have status, right? I could say finalized or in review, because sometimes I might send these to Michael and ask if that's what he wants. Then
Michael's showing
executive
me filament.
summary.
Heading level 1 Visual Studio Code editing involved. Heading level 2. Heading level 1 Visual Studio Code editing involved. Heading level 2 start.
Okay.
Heading.
Sorry.
So this is executive summary, and it has like a summary of like it'll say something like
1.Link more actions.
1.1 product
Succeeding in the
overview,
heading.
so it'll describe what the product does. Uh-oh, are you getting a call?
Remote
Oh.
control menu button.
Yes,
Share
I
button.
am.
Menu bar.
Uh-oh.
Participants button. Group. Mute my audio, but press A. The mute hold space bar to go
Yeah,
sub
go
menu.
ahead and
Zoom.
I'll
Heading
keep
level 1 Visual
talking.
Studio
We'll
Code
close
editing
that
involved.
out.
Heading level
Do
2
you
start.
need to
Heading level
answer
2
the call?
walkthroughs. Content list 5 more items. Group.
Do you need to answer, Lauren?
Stop video button. Mute my audio button. Group. Unmute audio now unmuted.
Keep on going. I'm gonna mute for a second.
All right, no problem. So,
Audio
other
now
things
muted.
that are in a PRD
Heading level 1 Visual Studio Code
are,
editing involved. Heading level 2.
hey, by the way, I can hear your speech, so you might want to, that way I can, that's fine. So, like it has like a summary, like, I don't know, I'm making a to-do list, it says this, right? Just a basic overview. And then I have 1.1 or 2 vision statement. This is what we have. So to deliver one-stop live streaming, right? This is what we have for now. But again, this does not have to be that complicated, especially what you're doing. Key value proposition. So basically like what separates it. Okay. And then product scope. So it has in scope version 1.0. This is really important to make sure we don't do things that are out of scope in this version because we don't want to go too crazy. This is a lesson I'm still learning, clearly. And then it has like different features and how they are associated. Live control, yep. Okay. Keep going. And then things that are out of scope. And then it has like that are not going to be out of scope, right? So, okay. Keep going down here. All right, keep going. All right, so
This meeting is being listened.
then
Heading level 1, Visual Studio Code.
we get all the way down here. And then we have
You are muted now. Press
non-functional
Shift plus Command plus A to unmute your microphone, or press and hold the space key to temporarily unmute. Close. Unmute. Press CMD plus tilde to open pop-up. Zoom. Us as new window. Unmute
So
audio.
like just different things that you want to make sure that, things like that.
I am back. Can you
All
hear me?
right. Awesome. And then we have UI requirements. Like, how you want the UI to be laid out, basically. And then like technical architecture. So this would be like I'm using Swift UI and blah 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 blah. And you can have like different like I want these screens and views and things. And then like core components, so to have like different libraries. Release plan. Again, this does not have to be all like you don't have to use all these fields here. So milestone 1, it breaks it down.
Okay. Sounds
So
good.
that's what a PRD is. Again, you don't have to make a PRD. But this is just what it is. I like to teach people about that because it's really important if you are using
good.
like big applications. So let's I'm looking at my chat because I think we have some chat messages. Okay, so chats. SNC, welcome to the channel again. Thank you for tuning in tonight. All right,
Hello,
that is
hello.
all the chats we have. Like I said, by the way, if you are new, I've got my friend Lauren, and I'm teaching her how to use VS Code with GitHub Copilot, and we're going to be making a to-do list in Swift UI. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so another thing to know is that GitHub Copilot has a lot of accessibility, what are called like signals. So like
Okay.
they repeat and like read things, which is great, but sometimes they're a little bit verbose. So I'll talk about that in a minute. But do you want to start getting coding?
Sounds good to me.
All right. So the first decision we have to make. So just a couple background things for people here. We are using a workspace that we already made, right? We've got a Xcode project and all of that stuff. And so that's already done. Now, a command I learned about last night was actually, it's in the chat. I can go to #new. And what that will do is actually scaffold a workspace and it will install all the extensions that you might need in that workspace.
Oh,
So
cool.
Swift. So I'm going to show you that. I just learned about this last night, y'all. So let's check this out. So
Okay.
what I want you to do is go into your agent, right? So Command-Shift-I.
Command Shift
Copy invite link.
I.
Oh,
That did
I
not
think you're in
work.
Zoom.
Heading level
I
1 code.
am in
Welcome.
Zoom.
Code sample. Heading level 1 Visual Studio Code.
Command Shift I.
Chat input. Type to ask questions or
There
type
you
select for
go.
topics. Press enter to send out the request. Ask Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI, so mistakes are possible. View Atlas Code settings button.
Now you're going to do a hashtag, so number. Make sure you're in the text field.
Number Azure activity log. Text group.
And type in new.
Is that it?
Yeah, and press enter.
Ask Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI, so mistakes are possible. Ask Copilot. Copilot. Ask Copilot. Editing involved. Heading level 1 Visual Studio Code.
Oh,
Heading
did it
heading
not
list 4
work?
items. New file. Button open. Clone git repository connect to. End of list. Heading level 2 reasons. List 5 items. Open folder Python
Oh,
with tilde slash
Michael
open folder
is
times macro.
here.
Ask Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI, so there was an error connecting to Techopolis. Source. Atlassian. Jira and Duplicate.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Hang on.
It's
There
very
was an error connecting
verbose.
to
Hey,
Techopolis. Please log
Michael,
in
we
again.
got another guest.
Clear notification. Application. Group.
Of
Let's try
course,
this again.
Michael.
Group. Code. And
Michael
number.
Doyes has joined the meeting.
Azure. Text group. Chat input. Type to ask questions or
We're
type
gonna
slash for topics.
do
Press enter to send out the request.
The
Use option F1 for
number
chat. Number
sign.
added activity log. Text group.
Nude.
Field slash desktop slash time tracker.
Why is it only typing the N?
Group.
That's
Chat
so
input.
I
weird.
Type
don't
to ask questions
know.
or type slash for select
Try
input.
W.
Me.
I
No.
don't know what's going on. That's strange.
Okay, let's try
Chat input.
this.
Type to ask questions or type slash for topics. Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor. Ask Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI. So mistakes. Zoom floating video window system dialog.
Oh my
Ask
goodness.
Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI. So mistakes are possible. Review output carefully before use. Or ask Copilot. Copilot broadcast go live. Click to run live group. Toolbar. Chat input. Type
And
to
we
ask
don't
questions or
have
type
to
slash
do
for
that
toolbar. Type slash to use
hashtag
commands.
new if it's too difficult. It's not
Ask
going to
Copilot.
make it
Copilot is powered by AI.
hard.
So mistakes are possible. Toolbar. Type slash to use commands.
Do I not have to wait?
The chat with
Let's see.
extensions. Type slash to use toolbar.
Toolbar.
Chat input. Type to
You
ask questions
select
or
your
type toolbar item
model.
palette. Chat input. Toolbar. Chat input. Type to ask questions or type slash for topics.
So I'm gonna do number sign.
Number added activity log. Text group.
New.
Would it be in this list, do you think?
It could be. It might be all the way down though. But
Suggest list box. In suggest list box. Number added activity log. Number added activity log. Number added activity log. Number changes. Text group. Number code base. Number config group. Number fetch. Text. Number file. Text. Number find testfuls. Number folder. Text group. Number get python. Number get python. Number install. Number zero result. Number zero result. Number zero result. Number zero results. Text group.
Nope. Okay.
Chat input. Type to ask questions or type slash for topics. Press enter to
interesting.
send out the request. Use option
And
F1
I'm
for
sure
chat accessibility
you
help.
have the
Editor
latest
number 5.
version.
Ask Copilot. Copilot is powered by AI. So is group. Sample app slash
I
ask
have no
Copilot.
idea.
Group. Chat input.
Okay.
Type to ask
In
questions
that
or type
case,
slash.
what I want you to do, check for updates because this will make Copilot even better. So go to your Command Shift P and type like updates.
GitHub Copilot. Developer. Clear temporal context recently used. Select full select code. Free results. Extensions. Show extension updates. Ask GitHub Copilot. Updates control command type selected. Extensions. Check for extension updates selected.
It should say like VS Code updates or something.
Extensions. Ask GitHub Copilot. Extensions. Extensions. Show extension code. Restart
It's
the 4
also
R
in the
temporal context
file
recently
in the
used.
code menu
488
on
results.
Mac.
903 results. 1
Oh,
results.
okay, is it?
The what?
Code menu,
Menu bar
like
Apple.
the
Code. File. Code. Code about Visual Studio Code.
Yeah.
Restart to update. Settings ellipsis. Services.
Restart
High
to
Visual Studio
update.
Services. Settings ellipsis. Submenu. Restart to update.
Probably one of the reasons why I'm trouble.
Hold, please.
All right, y'all. This is what happens. All right, let's see if we have any chat messages while we wait. This is what we do when we
The
do live
update
demos.
process is very fast. VS
It
Code.
is.
So
All right, y'all are quiet in chat. What do you guys think?
Did it already work?
Um,
Yes, it did.
oh, awesome. By the way, hi, Michael. Welcome.
good to be here.
Wait, hang on, let's see.
Yeah.
I hope we get to do some. We mentioned earlier, maybe after y'all show Lauren how to do some 3D, work with Copilot, y'all could talk about doing 3D printing and creating models.
Yes, we could. And
Because-
yeah.
Because we need to keep Lauren here for a bit because I've got a surprise that I'm printing for her.
Y'all. All right, chat. Come on, y'all. Tell all your friends to be here. We want 10 likes. Right, Michael?
10 likes would be good. 20 would be even better.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, y'all need to impress me. I mean, not me, but you need to impress, the person who helps make all this possible. Let's go.
All right, hang on, y'all. I got lots of things going on here.
No problem. Like I said, this is the life of a streamer.
Whatever. Allow whatever. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna. Something's happening
so
on my Mastodon.
let me close all these notifications because, and
What's
then we
going on
want
here?
to. All right, was it Command Shift I, right?
Did you update? Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Command
Shift I. What's going on my stream? Oh. Good.
So it looks like it's in here.
Okay.
Shift plus Option plus F1.
That is an accessible view that will.
Shift plus Option plus F1. I don't know, y'all.
You don't know?
It is not working.
Okay, then we won't worry about it. I'm not sure what's up with that. Okay,
What are we looking for?
it's
It
the
keeps saying
number
if I
sign
do
new.
no, if I do Control or Command Shift I. Wait, let's see. Shift Option F1.
That's for accessibility options, but that's
And
different.
then it says display brightness. So whatever.
You would have to do function Shift Option Function F1.
That would make a whole lot of sense, wouldn't it?
Right?
It would if it was working. So we're gonna say number new. And then enter. One more time, and then we may not worry about it.
That's fine. It's not a huge deal. It's just something that is interesting. All right. That's fine.
Oh, all right. Let's move on.
Okay. So
Because it
now,
ain't working.
so it would in your GitHub settings online, did you enable GPT-5?
I don't know. Did I? Let's see.
So if you go to the model picker, by the way, you're not sharing your screen.
Live streaming.
This is fun though. I love it.
I am not good at it. Please bear with me.
It's fine. Like I said, I was not good either when I first started off.
Okay, so we want VS Code.
Yep.
We do not want desktop. We want this one. Not Xcode.
Not yet. We'll
Like
need
I
that
said
later.
earlier. I'm just gonna share my desktop. Do you recommend that?
That's fine.
Okay.
Whatever. Whatever will work.
Where are my sound settings? I am not seeing them.
Oh dear. If you can't share your speed, I mean, that would be not awful for me, but if it's really, it comes down to it, we'll
Would
figure
not
it
be
out.
ideal. We are
No,
looking
we'll
for
figure it
it.
out.
I'm going to do my best.
All right, y'all. We have 4 people watching. Thank you for being here. Let's see.
Hello, thank you so much. Appreciate you. We're just trying to get some things worked out here, and then we will go hopefully
This
get
is live streaming.
started.
Y'all should know this, but like I said, Michael, do you want to talk about anything real quick while we're getting sorted out? I'm sure you have something to say.
Put you on the spot.
Sure. So this is normal.
You may be echoing through my.
Yes. Hang on just a moment. So I wanted to mention welcome to the stream. Thank y'all for having me on.
As always, you're always welcome.
I think it's going to be interesting, and I think y'all are going to talk about some cool stuff. And since I'm here, Lauren, a thing that I'm printing that you can take home will be done at 9:14. So I'm sure we could keep you.
Ooh.
I'm sure we could keep you busy until then. It's really neat. At least it was the last time I printed it when my family was here. So really cool stuff. VS Code is going to be interesting on the Mac. I'm curious how you're going to fare with it.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
It'll be interesting. I don't know why I can't share my sound. This is fun.
You were earlier.
There should be a checkbox for share audio.
There should. True.
It's under like layouts or some option like that. Michael, did my Discord notification come in saying I was live? I can't know. I don't remember
I
if
am
it
not
did.
sure.
Okay. I don't want to mention everybody again, but I want to make sure people got it.
Yes. It was in layouts. We're good.
Awesome.
Space with
There
this
you go.
code, web content. The file.
Okay, and
Contains the
then
basics
you
with
said
Zoom,
that I need to go to
new window.
ChatGPT, right?
No. Oh, you need to go on the
content list, folder
GitHub
item valid, chat input, the
website
file.
to
Contains
enable
the basics with
ChatGPT 5. So
Okay.
where you were when you paid for it, you have to go there.
All right. Let me
Put
do
this
that
in
real
the
Zoom,
other
quick.
us,
place.
Code data, Finder, Safari, code, release note.
Yes, it's paused. Okay. So would it be under my Copilot again?
Yeah.
Okay. My Copilot. This is interesting. Copilot. And then let's see.
All right. There we go. Okay.
Is it under integrations?
Nope. It should be under features. So you're finding my Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see features. And why am I? Oh, I guess you're probably not sharing. Weird. Why am I not hearing your sound? Oh, strange.
Because I wasn't sharing it. Let me see if I can share
No,
my.
it's fine. You don't have to for this part. You probably shouldn't anyway because it could show your payment information. So don't share. Please don't. Please don't. Because I can't blur it out. I don't have the magic of whiteout. Awesome. You know. So what we're doing, y'all, is we're enabling. So you don't have ChatGPT 5 by default. You actually have to enable it. And while we're enabling ChatGPT 5, I'm gonna have her enable some other
GPT
settings.
5.
What did I say?
GPT 5.
Of course I did. Yeah. Yeah.
Features. There's that.
Okay.
Okay. GitHub desktop.
Okay.
Copilot. Copilot. Chat in the IDE.
Yep. Enable that. If it's not enabled, I think it's already enabled.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Copilot chat in GitHub mobile. Copilot can search the web.
Yeah, you want to enable search of the web. I don't think that's enabled by default.
Enable.
All right.
We did not need to do that. Why did we jump up to the very top?
What do you do?
As soon as I checked the checkbox, it jumped me to the very top.
Awesome.
Okay. search the web is enabled. Automatic Copilot code review disabled.
That is for like, so here's another thing about Copilot, folks. If you have GitHub issues, you can actually assign remote Copilots to do automatic code review. The other thing you can do is if you are working on somebody else's repo, you can actually have Copilot do automatic code reviews on PRs, pull requests.
So should I enable that?
Yeah, why not? Go ahead. I like to enable
Okay.
everything so I can mess with it. It won't cost you anything else. So it's not like Cursor where you have to be
Cool.
kind of ultra careful. All
How are we doing that?
right.
Features. They're all big. We're not doing that right now.
Enable that also, like I said, in case you ever want to use those models. I like to enable everything so I don't have to come back later.
I'm just trying to find the chat stuff for now.
Yeah, that's fine. Because there's also a feature eventually where you can actually hide models if you don't want to see them. And that is announced in this.
Open AI for Mini, no.
No, don't do that one.
OpenAI GPT-5 and Copilot preview.
Yes. All right. Let's see. Okay.
It says it's enabled.
It maybe is. I don't know because I think.
Oh wait,
Maybe not.
enabled. Okay. So. Okay. That's enabled. That's enabled. Okay, everything should be enabled now.
Got it. Okay. Awesome. So now, did you hit the save button? I think there was one anyway.
Didn't know there was one.
I thought there was one, but I cannot quite remember. Maybe there's not. I thought there was the. What?
Oh, I'm connected to an old organization from high school. And
Oh,
it
that
says,
can be
oh, you
embarrassing.
could buy Copilot Business for your organization.
Right. So let's talk about that a little bit. So, Michael, you may have something to say on this one, but people can request Copilot from an organization. And yeah, that can get interesting, right, Michael? You've had experience with that? People could request Copilot and then they like
Yeah, I've seen that before.
yeah, I'm sure you have. I might have accidentally done that a time or two by complete accident.
By the way,
But
there's no save button, so I think we're good.
okay, I guess it automatically saves. Okay, I can't remember. All right, go to your VS Code now,
Space
and
with
you
code.
might want to start sharing your
It does
You
screen.
are
not
screen
automatically
sharing.
save.
Into Files Explorer table.
It
What?
does okay.
Web content.
It does automatically save?
I guess so.
Does
That's what
not.
Michael said.
Does not.
Oh, it does not. Where is it? Oh boy. Where'd it go?
Boy.
I am not seeing a save button. Are you sure?
Michael, are you sure?
Yeah, I mean, it's a checkbox on the web. You can't usually hit a checkbox and have it autosave. So there should be a button somewhere. So
Could it be at the
Alright.
top?
possible.
Let's see. Checkbox. However,
Like I said, if you guys are in chat, say hello. You guys are pretty quiet today.
yes. They are checkboxes, but yeah, there's no save button at all.
Okay. Well, keep the page open and see if it refreshes in your agent picker.
Okay.
I guess if that's.
Is there
You are
anything I need
screen
to enable
sharing.
Contains the
on
basic Swiftly
the
chat content list.
chat? I mean, on the
The file
Xcode
contains
side.
the
I
basic
mean,
Swiftly viewable.
not Xcode. Oh my god. On the VS Code side for chat. For
To enable
ChatGPT.
stuff, I don't think so. You have to do it on the web.
Chat content list. Toolbar item palette group.
I don't have to
Chat
sign in
content
to
list.
ChatGPT?
ChatGPT. We don't need. So when you sign in to Copilot, you get GPT-5 along with it.
Okay.
Group.
So it's
Cool.
part of the premium
Chat
request.
content
Part of
list.
that money you paid. That makes sense.
Alrighty. What
The file
changes should I
contains the basic
see?
Swiftly view with a globe image.
Because I'm in here.
Okay. So go to the So you're in the agent, right? Command Shift I.
Chat content list. Selection replaced. Selection replaced new line.
Yes. Let's see. Tab. You're looking for a model picker.
Toolbar. Toolbar item palette. Toolbar item palette group.
Again, this
Remote
is
group.
interesting on Mac.
Person 0. Lord Rat Chevron right no active issue. Sign in to Certificate. No problems group. Chat content list. Toolbar item palette group. Chat input. Agent mode.
Toolbar
Edit
item
file toolbar.
palette. Let's see.
Toolbar. Remote group. Toolbar.
Maybe
Toolbar.
those toolbars.
And toolbar. Pick model. Option command. GPT-4.1 menu pop up collapsed button. GPT-4.1 checked menu item. Group menu action widget. GPT-0 clogs on GPT-checkmark GPT-GPT-40 interactive. GPT-checkmark GPT-4.1 interactive. GPT-40 interactive. Horizontal
You hear
splitter. Clogs on
GPT-5?
3.5 interactive. Clogs on 3 clogs on 3 clogs on 4 menu Gemini 2. GPT-5 preview 03 menu
There you go.
GPT-5 GPT-5
There you
set
go.
mode agent menu pop up collapsed button pick model option command
You
group
want
chat input
agent mode. So you're good there.
Toolbar.
So we chose GPT-5.
toolbar remote group toolbar
Okay.
and toolbar to pick
You
model
got
option
that.
command GPT-5 preview menu pop up collapsed button.
Yep.
Pick model option command GPT-pick model option command out of toolbar. And
So
toolbar.
now you'll
6 items.
find
And
the
new tools available.
chat
1 button group.
thingy
New tools
that,
available. 1 but start voice chat button group send button group link more.
and
Configure
you
tools
can
button
voice
group.
chat, by the way, with this
Chat
one.
input agent mode edit files in your word toolbar item
Whoa. Okay.
There,
So I'm in the
there's
chat.
the chat.
chat
Yep.
content list.
So now you can start chatting and you can start, coding.
Okay. So I have the folder open. Should I be in a specific file?
No, just just do what you're doing now because what I learned yesterday, again, this is ever changing, is that if you're in a file, the model will actually have more bias towards that file and like try to use that for everything, even if it's not related.
Interesting.
Yeah, that was something I learned yesterday on the Let It Cook episode. That's what they call them. So, yeah, like I said, they're little tips and tricks, but I recommend that you just start here. And I mean, like, just say what you want to do. Make a standard prompt. Be like, make a to-do list. Make a standard prompt. See what it will do.
So I'll say
Selection
make
replace make a
a
top
to-do list
with
with. Should I give it like a full prompt, like everything, like all the features, or?
Yeah, I mean, like, just say, what you want. I mean, I'm not sure, Michael, what do you do? Do you give it all things at once or do you do bit by bit? I'm curious what your approach is.
So I give it upper level view of all the features I want at one time. Then,
Okay.
depending on how it does, then I go in and get more specific in new chats. So,
That's kind of what I do.
and you need,
Yeah.
and I would specify if you're building an iOS app or how you're building it or what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Space HTIW.
To-do
Space
list.
SIL. List.
List
App.
app
In.
in Swift
Swift
UI.
Swift UI. Add.
That
Can.
can delete. Let's
Space
see.
NAC.
Add.
Space. Space D. AH. Space T. AH. T. Add.
That adds
Total.
to items.
Items, comma. Space.
Um,
Add. A. Features.
features
From.
for
Editing. Space GNITIDE. Space M. Space. Editing. Space. Com. Space.
editing, setting,
Setting.
due dates.
New. Space, comma. Space. And. Right.
Oh, spelling.
Right. Space.
Prioritizing.
Like I said, if you wanted to, you could do voice chat and you could dictate
Period.
all of this.
Yeah,
Space.
let's just start here. So,
Yeah, no, I recommend starting there, but I'm just
Items.
saying,
Add
like, if
features.
you
Make a to-do list. Add
really
Swift
need
UI. Add
to,
total. Items. Add features. Flow editing. Setting due dates. And. Features. Flow. Editing. Editing. E. Space. O. R. F. Make a to-do list for. Items. Make a to-do list. Add Swift UI. Add total. Items. Add features for editing. Setting due dates. And. Prioritizing. Space. Period. 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 Space. By.
by
High. Space. Com. Space. Medium.
medium
And.
and
Low.
low
Priority. Period. Space.
priority. Anything else I should add? So I've said that I need a way to add and edit to-do list items, set due dates, and prioritizing by high, medium, and low priority.
do you want multiple lists?
Also.
Also,
Add.
add
And. Ability.
ability to have
Add.
multiple lists.
Multiple. List. Space.
Okay. Anything else?
Leave a chat message real quick. I'm going to go ahead and address because it's related to what we have here. It's also
Okay.
nice if you have a typo, the bot can figure it out in most instances. Yeah, that's really true.
Yeah, I just, I like to be correct.
But thank you, SNC.
Yes, absolutely.
Group.
Okay, you ready?
Go ahead, let's fire away.
Make channel list sent. Working. In working. Group.
So, you
Progress.
notice one thing. These accessibility signals that progress is going to keep doing
Working.
that. And
Progress.
sometimes that can be annoying. Working, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does that seem annoying? I mean, yes, it's helpful to know when it's like done, but does that kind of helpful sometimes to be like, oh,
Oh, yeah.
But sometimes
It's nice to know that it's working.
Right, but sometimes you want it to be quiet,
File.
and so that's
Slash
where
slash
Jeff's
user slash lower slash
extension
text.
comes
Working.
in. But for now, I don't want you to have that right now. I just want you to do the normal way so you understand how it works, because it says creating, so
Okay.
it tells you it's creating a
Zoom floating video
file.
window system dialog.
Whoops.
Work file quickly read the app entry file to confirm how the app launches and then implement the multi-list code.
While this is going, let me see if I can minimize these
Zoom floating video window system dialog.
floating video windows.
Full right
Give
of
me
balance.
one
That would
second.
be
Zoom floating video
helpful.
windows working. Use my audio button. Group.
There we go.
I'll quickly read the app entry file to confirm how the app launches and then implement the multi-list code UI with add slash edit. Due dates and priority. Read visited link sample underscore app. Swift lab models. A data store with JSON persistence and Swift views for multi-list management. Item add slash edit with due dates and priority. Then wire them into the app entry and content view. 19 more items. Group.
So it's kind of making a
Check
plan
visited
right
link
now.
total models. Swift visited link total store. Swift 6 more items. Group. I'll open the existing unit test files to see what's there and update them with a couple of model tests. Priority sorting and JSON encode slash decode.
Wow.
Visited link sample
Okay.
underscore app list. Swift.
Michael, what do you think
Visited
about
link
this?
sample
Because
underscore
you're the
app list.
Swift
Swift.
developer in the room.
Edited sample underscore app list. Swift 21 insertions. 4 deletions.
Whoa.
Button. Group. I'm going to update the models to conform to hashable so add navigation stacks, navigation destination, and navigation link. Values smiley compile cleanly. Then recheck for errors.
That seems right. I'm curious what Michael thinks.
Photo models. Swift.
No more when we try it.
Whoa,
I will
that
quickly
is
read the app file to
scrolling
confirm how
really
the app launches and then
fast.
implements the multi-list.
Yeah.
Content view.
Holy
Swift.
crap.
Sample underscore
Yeah.
aptist. Swift. Pick model. Option. Group. Add context. Sample underscore aptist. Swift. I will turn this starter app into a multi-list photo app with add/edit, due dates, and high/medium/low priority. Then wire into the app
I
entering
think
the basic
it's
for assistance. Setting
done,
level 2.
actually.
So what I think you can do, and again, you don't have to review the code like it generates, or you can. I think you can press like command 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5 to see the file open. I think. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to figure that out myself.
Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Create your issue
Okay,
button.
okay,
Create your issue button. Create
hi.
your
Hey.
So here's the code. On the side.
sample app. Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Create your issue button.
We don't
Create your
need to
issue button.
create your
Whoa.
Editor new line. Import foundation. New line. Minimum priority. String. Castierable. Codable. Identifiable left brace. Case high equals
Now
high.
you're seeing code.
Case medium equals medium. Case low equals low.
Let me see what file this is in.
Level 1
We
tilde
are
slash desktop
in.
slash code sample. Level 2 tilde slash desktop slash code sample slash sample app tilde slash desktop slash code sample slash sample app slash sample app slash model slash photo models. Swift bullet pending changes from GitHub Copilot group.
To do models, like it's in models files.
To do model.swift. We want content view, right?
Tilde slash
Yeah,
desktop slash
you
code
can
sample
look
slash
at
sample
all
app
of
slash
them,
sample
or
app slash
you
model
don't
slash
have
photo
to
models.
look at all
Swift
of them.
bullet pending
I
changes
bet
from
you're
GitHub Copilot
curious what
group
it
group.
did.
Level 2 tilde slash desktop slash code
I'm
level 2
curious what
tilde
it
slash
did with
desktop view
content
group.
Swift.
Photo models.
Let's just
Content view.
see.
Swift selected outline row. Create your issue button. Create your issue button.
Why
Create
is
content view.
there?
Swift editor slash slash slash.
I don't know. I have that Atlassian
Probably should get rid of that, but anyway, that's yeah.
extension. I need to.
Editor
Yeah.
new line. Import Swift new line slash slash. New line import swiftly. New line. Struct content view. View left brace. At state object private var store equals photo store. New line. Var body. Some view left brace. List view. Environment object store. Right brace. Right brace. New line. Number preview left brace. List view. Environment object photo store. Right brace. New line.
That's it.
Okay.
Create your issue button. Create your
Okay.
issue button group.
All right.
Files Explorer table.
Let's
Row
not
A.
keep doing that. Okay.
Level 2 tilde slash desk. Level 2 tilde slash desktop slash code tilde slash desktop tilde slash desktop slash code sample slash
Hey,
sample app
leave
slash
a
sample
chat
app slash model
message
slash
real
photo
quick
models.
when you're
Swift
ready
bullet
for
pending
that.
changes from GitHub Copilot group.
Let's go for it.
Welcome to the channel, Michael. With unmute. Well, we used to. Sorry. Yeah. See, glad to see others are vibe coding. You know, this was honestly so like on the fly. We're like, yeah, let's go live.
So
Yeah.
let's go ahead.
So yeah, I'm glad that Lauren is hopefully liking it. I know you've made a lot of programs, Michael, with Copilot. So, what were you gonna say, Lauren?
Yeah. I'm excited. This is cool. Um, let's see.
Run a
What
debug.
other
Shift command
files
D.
should we
Group.
take a look at and
Level 2
make sure
tilde
things
tilde
are
slash
correct? We've got.
views. Views group. Views selected collapsed outline row.
Look at the
Content view.
views
Swift
directory.
selected
I'm a
outline
little
row.
concerned about that, but that's fun. Look at that. Look at those.
That is a
Level 2 tilde slash desktop slash code sample slash sample
directory.
underscore app app. Swift selected outline row.
Yeah, look at some of the views in the directory. Again,
Content
you
view.
don't have to
Swift
look at
selected
everything,
outline
but
row.
I just want to see
We're
what.
doing. We have content view,
Sample underscore app app. Swift selected outline row.
sample view app.
Sample app. Starter selected collapsed outline row.
We don't need to look at
Xcode
the Xcode
bridge.
proj. Yeah, don't.
So there's only 2 views in here.
Sample underscore app app. Swift
Huh.
selected outline row.
So let's see what the second one is.
Content view. Swift sample underscore app app. Swift sample underscore app app. Swift selected outline row. Group. Sample underscore editor. New line.
And of course, I went to the very bottom of the file. That's cool.
Group.
Okay.
New line. Import swiftly. New line. But main. Struct sample underscore app app. App left brace. Var body. Some scene left brace. Window group left brace. Content view. Right brace. Right brace. Right brace.
And I don't know.
Well, let's see. Let's run
Sample
it and see
methods.
what happens. Because I'm
Store.
not. I just want to see
Views
what
group.
happens. Just go run it.
Should I run from the Xcode side?
Yes.
Okay, let me pull up
Safari.
Xcode.
And again, I'm gonna get into some more tips and tricks. Like once we actually, I'm not gonna we'll kind of gradually introduce you to stuff.
Yeah, let me. Let's see. Your screen sharing is paused.
No,
I
it's
need
not.
to. resume it. If I do resume,
sample
You
underscore
are
app.
screen sharing.
There you
Active
go.
use switcher tab
can
group
you
manage
see my
override balance group.
Xcode window? Or am I still in? Nope, this is still in
Zoom loading window window system
VS Code.
dialog.
Okay.
List screen. Tap plus to add a list. Code.
Oh no. He's used 30% of his Copilot already. Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, Michael.
Let
Michael,
me.
you're gonna have to go to Pro Plus. Telling you this now. You're gonna have to go to Pro Plus eventually. Because it's not
Can
even
I?
like a week into the it's like a week or so in the month, but you already you're gonna have to use Pro Plus, dude. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, that's so crazy. How much have I used? I probably shouldn't even look. Whew.
Okay, so I'm going to. Can I add another window to the screen share?
Well, I just recommend sharing the entire computer, but whatever you want to do.
Okay, let me just share the entire one. I'm gonna make my life difficult again, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Not you, I am. Alright.
This meeting is being live streamed. Source editor edit text. Currently on line 9. Project navigator table. Row 7 of 13. Content view. Swift source. Selected.
Okay. Alright. We're going to run this guy. Command R, right?
Yes. Wait, where's
Ooh,
your
let's
screen?
try
Code.
that
Sample app.
again.
Content view.
What happened?
Run.
Run it again.
Build failed system dialog.
Oh. Okay, so now
Alright.
what I need you to do is go to the issues. Actually, I think Copilot can run in Xcode and fix the issues. I think, but that's for now. We'll work up to that. For now, go to the issues navigator and figure out how many issues we have.
Issue navigator table.
Yep, navigator.
Initial photo store. Error image. Sell 4 items. Collapse.
Oh,
Issue
how
navigator
many?
table.
Okay.
Initial navigate photo store. Error image expanded. 6 items enclosed. Level 1. No row selected. Sample app. 5 issues expanded. Photo store.
5
Error image
issues,
expanded.
okay.
6 items enclosed. Level 1.
So it says 6 items because it's like a table, right? So there's 6 issues in this
Type
to-do
photo store does not
store.
conform to the protocol observable object. Collapsed. Level 2. Initializer init. Rapid value smiley apostrophe is not available due to missing import of defining module combined. Collapsed. Instance method removed. A toxic smiley apostrophe is not available due to missing import of defining modules. Which collapsed.
Oh, this is fun.
Okay.
Instance method moved from offset. Toolset smiley apostrophe is not available due to missing import of defining modules. Which collapsed. Instance method removed. A toxic smiley apostrophe is not available due to missing import of defining modules. Which collapsed.
So what you can do is Michael, I'm not sure how you do this, but like I want to copy all the errors to the clipboard, right? Do you have a way of doing that?
Instance method initializer init. Type photo store. Photo
I'm
store.
just
Sample
gonna
app. 5
select them
issues
all.
expanded. Sample app. 5 issues expanded. 1 item enclosed. Removed from selection.
And
6 row
then
character
once
palette.
I.
Character viewer window. Toolbar.
Oops, not
Code.
that.
Sample app. Photo store. Swift.
I want control. There we go. I'm gonna copy all of these to the
Visual
clipboard.
Studio Code.
Hopefully that will work.
Safari. Visual Studio Code. Code. Sample underscore app. Swift. Code sample window. Sample underscore app. Swift.
Now go to your agent. So Command Shift I.
Group.
Also, I'm going to expand this because if anyone is a
69
visual
more items.
user,
Group.
this is
Group.
super teeny tiny.
Good to know.
So I apologize. I'm just
Full use
expanding
test.
it just a
Added.
little.
Not executed here. Group.
And you
Sample
said
app. Sample app.
Command
New.
Shift I.
Chat input.
Yeah.
Agent mode. Edit files in your
There
workspace.
you go. All right. Now
And
before
then-
you type anything, hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna kind of do the scenarios based thing, right? So that we can learn. So let's say you have errors, right? What are you gonna do? Well, here's what I'd recommend. Why do you think those errors were caused? Well, it's because chances are the data is old, right? The Swift UI, it's not with the newest trained data and doesn't have the best practices. So how do you think you would solve this? I'm just curious what you'd do.
Ooh, I don't know. I think you're saying it doesn't have enough data?
Right. So would you here's how I would do it, maybe. I'd tell it to search the web. That's why I told you to enable that web search.
So, like, search the web for Swift best practices, or?
No, what I'd say, for example, is I have the following errors. Can you search the web for how to fix these so that next time I run the app, I won't have them or something? So
Okay,
something
yeah.
generic. And then it will use a tool. So GitHub Copilot has what are called tools. And tools are like different things that the model uses. So like there's a fetch tool that will actually fetch websites and
Sounds
give the
good.
model
I
more
will
data.
go ahead and do this. So
Space. Space. Selection replace new line. Selection replaced. After. Running. The. App comma. Space. I. Have. The. Following. Error period. Space. Please. Search. The. Web. And. Space. E. N. A. In. Order. To. Solve. These. Error period. Space. New line. Slash user slash Loren slash desktop slash code sample slash. After running the app, I have the following errors. Please search the web in order to solve these errors. Slash user slash Loren slash desktop. Check progress.
all right, let's see what happens.
Working.
Here
Progress.
we go.
Here we go.
I will
And
quickly
it
look up
will
Apple Docs to
say,
confirm which modules define observable objects slash is published in the offset base move slash remove helpers. Then update the store to import the right modules or replace those calls to resolve the errors. Visit link https slash more actions menu pop. I will quickly look up Apple Docs to confirm which
and you
modules
have
define
to
observable objects
accept
slash is
that.
published in the
So
offset
it'll
base move
have
slash
like a
remove helpers. Then update the store to
continue
import the right modules or replace those calls.
Okay.
Cancel.
Looks like our print is good.
Continue. No
Continue.
action input. Agent
And
mode.
there's
Edit files in
also
your
more
workspace. Press enter to
actions
send
where
out the
you can
request. Use option
allow
F1 for chat
searching
accessibility
all
help.
the
Editor new
time,
line.
so you don't have to
Chat
you
confirmation
don't have to
required.
do
Press
that.
web pages. Press command.
Looks like Michael has a print. Do you? Did it work? Y'all want to see? Did
Show
we
meeting.
get
Show
our 10
participants and content button.
likes?
Show meeting. Show part remote control. Annotate
I
button.
don't think
Pause
we
button.
did.
Share button.
Y'all,
Chat button.
come
Group.
on.
Participants button. Group.
Have your
Start video button.
time.
Group. Mute my audio
Let
button.
me
Start
get my
video
video
button. Group.
going
This
again.
meeting is being live streamed. Video.
Okay. All right. What is this guy? Oh my goodness. That is the coolest thing ever. Cannot look at him. That is so neat. This is gonna be my favorite fidget for work. How does that even work? I'm like, this is insane. That is so neat. All right, I'm going to constantly be reaching over for this during this live stream, and that is so cool. Oh my god, the detailing on the tail. That is insane. So, for all of our blind and visually impaired viewers, we have an articulated, what is it? Goldfish? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and it has a little fish head with a mouth and eyes, and the second section, third, and fourth has the little fins, and then the back has little tail fins, and it's really cute. And then the bottom was flat, so it'll sit perfectly on a desk. So, and it moves.
Awesome.
All right. So that's really cool. Thank you so much.
Lauren, you have to accept the fetch so it can continue its work.
I'm working on it.
No, like I
Continue.
said, there's the more actions where you can actually have it
Code
do
setting
it
for
all
working.
the time. You don't have to worry about it.
I will quickly look up Apple Docs. I will quickly
I
look up
will
Apple
do
Docs to
that
confirm which
next.
modules define observable objects slash is published in the offset base move slash remove helpers. Then update the store to import the right modules or replace those calls. I will quickly look up
That was
Apple
a
Docs to
nice
confirm.
little
I will quickly look up
break.
Apple
That
Docs to
was
confirm which
cool.
modules define
That
observable
was
objects slash is published in the
awesome.
offset base move slash remove helpers.
You
Then update
guys,
the store
this
to
is
import
what
the right
my
modules or replace.
streams have to offer. Craziness.
You know what? You gotta have a little bit of fun, you know?
I will quickly
Oh
look up
yeah.
Apple Docs to confirm which modules define
Yeah.
observable objects slash is published in the offset base move slash remove helpers. Then update the store to import the right
That is
modules
so
or replace those
cool.
calls to resolve the errors. I will update the store file to import combine and Swift so observable objects slash is published and move slash remove helpers are available. I will fix those compile errors by importing the right frameworks where those APIs Toto store. Swift. Group.
Why
Toto views.
not?
Swift.
I need 3D print. No, you know what? I'm gonna start doing this. I have a little bowl that I used to put candy in for work for my coworkers. And now I think I'm gonna start adding these little 3D printed gadgets to a bowl instead because
Mike,
Ooh.
wait, can you repeat that for the audience?
No. Yes. He asked me if I wanted a meta blue train or a gold train. Comment below what color you think I should have.
Yep, comment in the chat, y'all.
I'm gonna go with blue, but if we get enough. Let's go ahead
We
and
got
go
4
with blue.
people, so thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Photo models. Swift sample app slash models group.
Oh no, a
Okay, it
mute.
looks-
You're like, I spent $13 over.
I'll quickly look up Apple Docs to
Oof.
confirm which modules define observable objects slash published in the offset base move slash remove build slash run again.
Okay, so we're gonna try to rebuild, I think, right?
Did
File
it
change.
finish?
File change.
Yes.
Rebuild.
Okay.
Group. Stowed. Sample app. Stowed. Source editor. Edit new line.
Rebuilding.
Build succeeded. System dialog.
Yeah. Oh, I'm jumping up and down. I probably shouldn't be doing that on stream because I probably look like a maniac.
It's
yeah, I do
okay.
that anyway.
I'm making myself look crazy.
Desktop group.
And
Up delete. Sort items. And smiley. Source editor. Edit text.
now,
Currently
how
online.
is it
Source
gonna
editor. Group.
run?
I don't know.
It's simulator probably.
Didn't say that there was a simulator running, but let me look.
Visual Studio Code. Safari. Zoom. Finder. Messages. Notes. Mail 5 pages. Stowed data. Visual Studio Code. Safari. Zoom.
No.
Us. Finder. Messages. 98 new items. Notes.
Where's it at?
Mail 5,800 pages.
No.
Stowed data. Visual Studio Code. Stowed data. Stowed. Sample app. Photo store. Swift.
Should I run it again?
Source editor. Group.
Maybe.
Replace sample app. An instance of replace default button.
Replace.
Build succeeded.
Okay.
System dialog.
It's probably trying to boot up a simulator or something. Right?
Simulator is launched in the background.
There we go. That's what we needed. All right.
Visual Studio Code. Safari. Zoom. Finder. Messages. 98 notes. Mail 5,008 pages.
Potentially.
Simulator.
There's a
Oh, not open.
simulator.
There we
Simulator.
go.
iPhone 16 Pro. iOS 26.0.
Simulator?
Window. Action. Button. App. Keyboard. Focus.
Wow, really? Oh my gosh, I'm like a maniac.
There's your simulator.
Oh my god, we are crazy.
You know what? That's what happens when you invite me on your stream.
I know! And like, especially you and Michael also. I'm surprised none of my viewers haven't left me yet.
Don't
Please
know
don't,
what you're gonna do.
Please, viewers, don't leave me. And
Hey now.
and subscribe. Tell all your friends. about this
So we have a
crazy
black
YouTuber.
simulator.
Uh-oh, it's probably still loading.
All right. Cue the Jeopardy music.
It takes some time to load. If you click on the simulator, it'll show the percent bar with the Apple logo and all that.
Thank you,
No,
Michael.
it is black. Black as night. I'm having way too much fun with this.
I know. That's the problem. And then, like, oh my goodness, what is going on? Oh, my Mastodon's blowing up.
Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, this chat's not working. Hold on. All right.
Well,
Let me go.
Stowed. Sample app. Photo store. Swift window. Issue navigator. Empty table.
What's going on with
Simulator
your
is not responding.
simulator?
Simulator not responding.
simulator is not responding.
Uh-oh.
You
Why?
couldn't try again.
I wonder why it's not responding.
Because it's me we're talking about.
Too bad you can't write it on your phone. Well, crud.
Okay. No
What's
problem.
Michael saying?
Well, you know what? We're not going to do the train this time, but comment down below what color, and we will do it next time. I also have green and white at home. So
Okay.
if we can't do it here, we've got colors.
Got it. Okay, so what's up with the code here?
Let's quit this.
Simulator is not responding.
I wonder if the simulator's just like,
Simulator
I
not
don't want
responding.
to work.
All
Do you
right, let's go
Stowed.
here.
Sample app.
Do
Photo
you
store.
have the
Swift.
developer ID on your
Source
thing?
editor.
Can
Text.
you run it
Currently
on your
online.
phone,
54.
or is that going to be a lot of work? I'm not sure.
I do not have it on my... I don't think I have it on my phone.
You don't have... Well, I'm saying, what about an Xcode? Did you select the team or not?
No.
All right, let's see if we can make this a boy.
Let me try to run again.
Or you could select my
Replace sample
Mac.
app.
So if you
An
go to
instance of sample app already.
destination, you can select my Mac, if that's easier.
Replace default button. Don't ask again. Unchecked.
Go
Checkbox.
near my ears.
Issues build succeeded. System
We'll
dialog.
see.
Source editor. Edit text. Currently on. Alert result. Build image.
Come
Simulator
on,
at new
you
window.
got it. Okay.
Visual Studio Code. Safari. Zoom. Finder. Messages. Notes. Mail.
Simulator
5,008
take
pages.
a minute.
Simulator. Simulator. iPhone 16 Pro. iOS 26.0. Window. Action. Button.
Action. We've got action.
No, no action.
No, it's an action button.
Simulator not responding.
What the world is going on with the simulator? Okay. Okay. All right.
It's just not meant to be today.
Well, here's what we do. Run it. So we run it. We go to product, and then I believe like run like destination. We select my Mac. That should work.
Okay.
That way you can have a
Simulator
Mac
is not
version
responding.
also.
Come on. Close.
Quit code, sample app, total
Okay.
for, Swift window,
All right.
issue navigator, empty table.
So-
Oh, that was
Source editor,
laggy.
edit text, currently on line 54, insertion on.
Yeah. I wonder if your Mac's not
All
happy.
right.
Okay.
So you said menu.
Menu bar Apple.
You go to product.
Code, file, edit, view, find, navigate, editor, product, debug, product,
Right.
product menu.
Product, and then you go down to
Run command,
run,
test command, U,
and then
profile command, test command, run command, R,
Not that. Keep going. Sorry.
test command, U, profile command, analyze command, shift, archive. Build for submenu, perform action, submenu. Build command, B, clean build folder, ellipsis command, shift, clear test results, dim, clear all issues, dim. Stop command, period. Build documentation, show build folder and find copy build folder path, export localizations, import localizations, ellipse team, submenu. Destination, submenu.
Right
Destination,
arrow.
submenu, choose destination, control, shift, 0. Select next destination, command, control, option, right bracket. Select previous destination, command, control, option, left bracket. Show all run destinations. Mac. My Mac, designed for iPad.
My Mac. Design for iPhone, whatever. It's fine. Okay.
Show details button.
Did you click on it?
Code,
Just
pages,
like
show
give it a
details
space?
button. Dialog. Invalid device state.
Try it again. Oh.
Invalid device date.
Application icon, invalid device state.
What?
Show details button. OK default button. Issue navigator empty table.
Okay. We're gonna
Menu
get
bar
this
Apple.
figured out. I want to see what this looks like. Let's see.
Pages as new window.
Invalid. What do you mean? What the world?
Invalid device. Because it's. I don't know. Just try running it again.
This is
Probably not
probably what
gonna work.
happens when you created it
Build
with
failed
the
system
extra
dialog.
beta.
Probably. Well.
Oh, you know what? It's gonna fail because it's. Remember, there might be issues that are specific. I think it's gonna. We just have to fix a couple more issues because sometimes there's platforms.
Sign
Oh,
into sample
wait,
app requires
it
source
just
editor edit
showed
text currently on line 17. Insertion and end of. 84 visible lines.
Ouch.
Issue navigator table.
Wait.
Issue navigator table. Issue navigator table. An issue navigator sign in for sample app requires a development team. Select the
Oh,
development
dear.
team.
Okay.
Well.
We're gonna figure this out.
Toolbar item palette. Sign in for sample app requires a development team. Select the development team in the sign in and capabilities editor. Level 1.
Is there a way that I can add it back in?
No, just go to the signing and capabilities tab under the project area.
Menu bar Apple. Scope.
And you
File.
should.
Edit. View.
It's
Project
Fine.
Navigator.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's not the menu bar. It's just in the project navigator. Click on the go to the project name and then select that, and then go to signing and capabilities.
Sign in for sample.
Okay.
Toolbar item palette.
I gotta find the project
Bookmarks.
navigator.
Radio. Sample app. One issue. Sample app. Sample app. Sample app. Out of issue navigator table. Reports. Radio button. 9 of 9. Breakpoints. Debug. Rate tests. Rate issues. Select find. Bookmarks. Rate source control project. Radio button. 1 of 9.
Project.
Show the project map. Source control. Bookmark. Find issues. For tests. For debug. Breakpoints. Rate reports. Rate project navigator table. Row 1 and project
Okay.
navigate. Sample app. Group expanded. Models. Group collapse. Store. Group collapse.
Sample app
Model.
grouping.
Sample app. Group expanded. 6
Find the
items.
name of it. Yep. And
Models. Group
then.
collapse. Store. Group collapse. Views. Group
Oh.
assets. Fold content view. Swift sample.
And you
underscore
want to
app.
stop interacting and then go to the next area.
Out of project navigator table. Project
Out of the
navigator table.
project
Row 8 of
navigator?
13.
What are we looking for?
Source editor. Edit text. Currently online. Sample
Oh, you
underscore
should.
app. Swift.
I thought we selected the project
Sample underscore
name.
app. Level 2. Edit
We
text.
just let the name. Yeah.
Assets. Project navigator. Content view. Assets. Folder. Views. Group collapse. Store. Group
Very
collapse. Models. Group
first
collapse.
one in the
Sample
top.
app. Group expanded. 6 items enclosed. Level 1.
Yep. You see
Sample
a
app.
space
Project
on that?
expanded. 3 items enclosed.
Okay.
A project. Select menu button. Project navigator filter. Filter search text field. Project assets level 2 edit text. Project navigator filter. Project navigator. Project navigator. Project nav out of navigator group. Editor area group. Vertical splitter. Vertical splitter. Vertical splitter.
Editor. The shift to interact with the editor. Michael.
Project and target list outline new table. Row 4 of 6. Sample app.
You want to find the target and select the target.
Remove target button. Delete the selected target. S. Project and target list outline new table. Row 4 of 6. Sample apps. Remove target button. Project and target list. Sample app list. Sample app list target. Sample app list. Sample app list target.
Which
Sample app list.
target?
Sample app. Sample app. Sample app target.
Simple app.
That one. Yeah.
And then
And then you need to go and do
Destination SDK
signing
Excel
and
to-
capabilities.
Support out of sample app. Debug bar. Horizontal splitter collapsed on top. Supported destinations. Expanded disclosure group. And supported destinations. Expanded table.
That.
Table.
No,
And
let's
iPad.
see.
iOS. iPhone. iOS. iPad. Mac. Designed for Apple Vision. Designed for iPad. Mac. iPad. iPhone. iOS. Destination SDK.
That's the
None.
area, but you need to find the. I mean, that's the part of the page, but you need to find the signing in capabilities, which is above that.
Getting close, I think.
Zoom floating video window system dialog. iPhone iOS sell 2 items. Has destination SDK sell 2 items. Has alternate items. Minimum deployments. Expanded disclosure triangle.
sure?
This meeting is the enlist screen.
Go to the
Window.
left.
Collapsed outline row. Display and alternate items models. Collapsed disclosure triangle. Group cell outline row. Has outline row. Has alternate item sample app. Sample app target level 1. Edit text.
You went back
Sample
to
app
the
list.
project name.
iPad. iOS sell 2 items. Has alternate items.
Is it because
Empty
she's
column.
on the beta? Is it different design?
No.
Display name. Display name. Edit text. App category. Non-app category. Pop-up button. Display name. Edit text.
Is
Blank
she
1.
getting
1.0.
close?
Edit text. 1.
I'm
Edit text.
listening.
1.
Okay, go back to the left.
iPhone orientation. iPhone orientation. Identity expanded disclosure group.
Identity.
Minimum deployments expanded disclosure group. Supported
I did.
destinations expanded disclosure group. Supported
Left.
destinations expanded disclosure group.
Left.
Sample. Sample underscore
Keep
view
going.
test. Sample underscore view test long test. Desktop group.
I can't go anymore.
Project navigator table. Row 1 of 13. Project navigator
Stop
table. Row 1 of
interacting.
sample underscore applet.
I'm not interacting with
Project
it.
and target list outline view out of table.
I know it's there.
Okay.
Well, there was an identity
Supported
tab. You
destination.
could have
Supported
gone in
destination out of
there.
support out of scroll area. Vertical
No.
splitter. Project and target list out. Build rules. Build phases button. Build rule project and target list outline view table. Row 4 of 6. Sample
Okay, I
app.
heard build rules and build phases. That's the right area.
Build rules button. Build phases button.
Well, there's two different areas.
Yeah, I know, but go to the left.
Build settings button. Info button. Resource tags button. Sign in and capabilities button.
There you go. Y'all, this is a lesson.
Sign in capability
So
selected.
you're
This
gonna get
is
anything.
this is insane.
Resource tags
Okay.
button. Info but build set build phase build project and target vertical splitter. Okay, all selected button. Debug button. Release button. Scroll area. Add target but scroll area. And scroll area. Add capabilities by clicking the plus button above. Add capabilities by clicking the plus button. Add capabilities. Sign in
You're all
expanded.
the way
Disclose
to
and sign in expanded.
sign in,
Disclose
yeah.
automatically manage sign in check checkbox. Scope will create and update profiles. App team. None. Team selection pop up button.
Oh,
Pop up
dear.
menu checkmark none. Lawrence Leader. Personal team. Techopolis Online Solutions. LLC.
There you go.
Techopolis Online Solutions.
Okay.
Code pages as new window. Techopolis Online Solutions.
Oh my goodness. Okay, can we run from here then?
Should she be good, Michael? Try it.
The dialog alert cancel button. Device Lawrence Mac cancel button. Cancel.
Oh,
Register device
no.
default button. The device must be registered in order to be included in the
Please
provisioning profile.
stop screen sharing. We don't need to have this on camera.
Register cancel button. Techopolis build failed system dialog.
Yeah, just stop screen sharing.
This
So let
turned
me.
interesting.
That's
Give me a
fine. This
second.
is live coding. So stop screen
Share
sharing.
button.
We'll figure this
Desktop
out.
screens. 1 of 3.
So-
Tab control.
Because
One
we don't
second.
want that. You basically, so PSA for everybody, what you have to do is you have to register your device if you have a new device, right? So this is something you have to do. Again, this is, well, like I said, we want to get this done. We're going to get this going.
Do
so
we? Do we need to? Okay.
yes, we do. We're going to
Okay.
do this. Trust me. Persistence is going to pay off. You want to learn how to use Copilot. This is part of it. Making it happen swift.
Okay. Give me a second. I need to get
Hit
out
run
of
again.
this
It will say
Zoom
you need to
window.
register.
Hang on. I'm stuck in a Zoom window. Let me close that.
This
All
is
right.
what
We're gonna
we
run
get.
again. Sorry, Michael. Huh? Let's see. I clicked register.
Okay, and then what happened?
It ran.
It successfully?
Um,
Maybe?
no.
What'd it do?
Succeeded.
That's. Oh my goodness! I got that mic going.
Now I have.
All right, what happened?
Oh,
What?
so it ran. Give me a second.
And when
Let
and if it works,
me.
you'll show your We'll regroup here.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
This is so much fun. Either way.
I forgot I was on video. I saw my face when I entered Zoom.
Whoops. That's okay.
Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. And then I'm gonna share.
Okay. This is so much fun.
And you know what? This is part of it. I'm a little
Yeah.
chaotic, so it just comes with the territory.
Trust me. I've had to re-register my Zoom account on stream before.
Okay, so let's do. Let me switch AirPods.
Uh-oh. I knew that was gonna come so fine.
Yep, knew it. Oh goodness. Thank you, wireless charger.
Oh yeah.
Your default speaker has changed to MacBook Pro speakers. MacBook Pro speakers and will now be used.
No. Oh boy. One second.
Desktop 11 items selected. Desktop
Hey,
11
AirPods?
items selected. Desktop 11 items selected. Desktop.
Ha ha ha, there we go.
All right.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let me turn that off. And we want share sound. Okay.
Zoom share over window system dialog. Zoom. Add new window.
Why did we do that? Okay.
Space with code containing window sample underscore app. Swift. Code sample. Full screen space. Password. Application. Software update. System dialog. Software update.
Oh,
Window password.
no.
Cancel button.
No.
Code.
Lovely.
Okay.
Zoom. Sample app. Code data. Sample app. Sample app.
So,
Sample app window. My tasks. 0 button.
here's what we got.
Actions available.
All
Close button.
right.
Minimize button.
Is it full screen?
I'm
Sample app window.
trying. It's really slow.
Space with sample app containing heading list. Sample app. Add new window.
All right.
What?
Edit button.
Why is it so slow?
Oh man.
What happened?
Well,
What?
it is lagging really bad, but here's what I'm going to tell you
Menu bar.
visually.
Close button. Zoom button. Group. Edit
We
button.
have
Heading
a
list.
title with lists.
My tasks. 0 button.
We have my tasks 0.
This meeting is being live streamed. Window. My tasks.
Thanks,
0 button.
Zoom.
This
Appreciate
meeting
you.
is being live streamed. Window. Add button. OK button. Add button. Oh, Zoom workplace window. My tasks. 0 button. Add button.
Cool. It's got tasks and 0 with
Saturday,
a
August
little
28th.
right
26 p.m.
button.
clock status menu.
We've
Add
got
button.
add.
Okay.
So I can add a list, it looks like.
Selection.
Let's
My
go in
tasks.
here
Sample app.
into
Sample
my
app window. My tasks.
tasks.
List selection. List back button.
We've got
Selection.
my list at the
Selection.
bottom. Can I add tasks?
Heading my tasks.
$1 million question.
Add button.
There you go.
I can.
Chat button. Group. Collection.
There's an add button in the top
Add
right.
button.
For the next iteration, I think what I might do is have it add a text box to type into.
Okay. Well, we're going to do another iteration.
But let's see if I can do this. So add.
Cancel button. Group. Group. Save dim button. Cancel button. Save dim button. Heading item. Collect title notes. Heading edit text. Press Control group. Collection.
Mm.
Group.
I wonder
Heading
why
item.
it's so lagging so
Global
bad.
group. Collection. Heading item.
New item.
Save dim. Heading item. Heading details.
So it says new item. Might want to
Heading details.
change that.
Title edit text. Press title edit text. Is editing blank.
Let's just say launch
New.
new app. That works.
Launch new app. Insertion and end of text. Title notes. Edit notes. Edit text. Press Control up notes. Edit text. Press Control up.
And then it has a little feature for notes.
This
is
A.
A.
E. T. Test. Heading due date. Set due date
We
off switch.
have a little thing for due date. So I'll say
That's
set
nice.
due date. There's an off switch and an on switch.
Title edit.
Once I click that on switch, we have date on the right,
Title heading launch new app. Insertion and end of text. Edit text. Press Control option space to begin at 27.
which I can then
2025 system dialog.
select a calendar picker. This is cool.
August 9th, 2025. Date area.
I want to launch this by next
August
week.
16th,
I'm
2025. Date area.
ambitious.
You okay?
August 16th, 2025. Date area.
Why
And
not?
then a time.
Set due date on switch. August 16th, 2025. 8th. August 16th, 2025. 8th. 27 p.m. Date and time area.
So
August 16th, 2025. Date area.
What's up?
let's see.
7 p.m. 8 p.m. 7 p.m. 65 p.m. 4 p.m. 5 p.m.
I want to submit this app by 5 o'clock.
26 minutes. 25 minutes. 20, 22 minutes. 21, 20 minutes. 20, 20, 23, 20, 25 minutes. 26, 27, 28 minutes. 29 minutes. 30 minutes.
30
30
p.m.
Group.
And then I'll
Group.
just click
Date
out of
insertion beginning of
that.
text window. Heading priority.
And then I can set my
Heading priority.
priority.
Title heading launch new app. Insertion and end of
This
text.
is
Edit
high
tab. 1 of 3.
priority.
Group.
And then
Title
I can
heading launch new app. Insertion and end of
say
text.
save.
Save button. List back button. Collection.
Look at that.
Did it save?
It did save. And it has a
Woohoo!
checkbox with launch app with a calendar icon. Let's see if we can do it with
List add
voiceover.
button.
Let's see
Heading
if
by
it's
tab.
accessible.
Collection. To collection. The group. Toolbar. Toolbar. Toolbar.
Oh,
The
okay.
group. Toolbar. Toolbar. Out of group. Toolbar group. Toolbar group. Toolbar group. Collection.
That
Heading by
doesn't
task.
sound good with
And
accessibility.
heading by task. Collection. Toolbar group. Toolbar group. Collection. And collection launch new app. Hi. August
Oh.
16th, 2025. Out of collection. And collection launch new app. Hi. August 16th, 2025. This is a test button.
Okay, so we have some things to work on.
Okay, so
As far
let's
as accessibility.
let's unpack this. What did you learn?
Menu
Let's
bar.
break this down.
I
List
can
back
go
button.
back.
My task
Yeah, go
collection.
back and we'll talk about it.
My
My task.
list.
1 button.
One item.
Collection.
All right, let's unpack it.
So what did you learn?
I learned that I need to be more specific with my instructions. 2, I learned that Copilot does not always have the most accessibility in mind.
Yeah, we'll talk about that.
And then 3, without giving it specific instructions, it's going to implement it how it sees fit. Because there were a couple things in there that I did not. Oh, I did actually. But it kind of took its own liberties of how it wanted to make it.
All right. So let's take the accessibility point. None of these models are having a taste of accessibility. So if we think about the training data that these models are trained on inaccessible, therefore the code it's going to make for us is inaccessible.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not just Copilot. It's called Code, it's Cursor, it's Windsurf, it's all of them. Okay. So that's point 1. Now, the other thing is that that's why I was talking about the PRD, right? Because that way it gives it specific instructions on how it should operate. Okay, that's the biggest thing there is like making sure it has the guidelines. So that's why the PIDs can be helpful. Okay. And yeah, like it does, if you don't give it instructions, it does it how it sees fits. Now, how does it look visually? Let's talk about the design.
It doesn't look half bad, I don't think.
My tasks. 1 button.
I've got opinions.
Oh,
Go ahead.
well, I want to hear them.
Let me mute one
Menu bar.
second.
Mute my audio now muted.
So
Selection.
I will say that it looks good as an iPhone app, but it is definitely a stretched out tablet app.
You are muted now.
It
Press
does
Shift plus Command
not
plus A to mute your
it
microphone.
does
Or press and
not
hold the
look
space key to
good
temporarily
as
mute. Close. Unmute.
a
Press CMD plus tilt to open pop-up. Zoom. Plus add new window.
it doesn't look good on a Mac or iPad. And so that's something that you would have to put in the project spec as well to make sure that these things look good on all of the devices instead of just a phone screen, because that's what this was built for.
Unmute my audio now unmuted.
So, for
Heading
example,
list.
could I make have lists on the side, and then have the middle section for, I don't know, for the tasks, or could I
Mute my
specify
audio
that
button.
for Mac and iPad?
Yes,
Audio
you
now muted.
could.
Audio now unmuted.
All right, so things to
Let's
think
do
about.
Selection.
another
My
let's do
tasks. 1
another
button.
iteration. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. All right.
Okay.
Let's do another iteration. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly so this time we're gonna start new chat. So every time we do an iteration, I like to start new chat. Make sure it's fresh. All right.
Okay.
And the next
Studio code.
iteration, it's not this
Type
one.
in chat
The
code.
next iteration, I'm gonna introduce you just to us. This is a bit wow. To some power tools.
Okay.
And so you're gonna love the power tools. We're not doing that just yet, but next iteration. All
So
right.
you want me to go ahead and start a new chat?
Yep, start new chat. You want to keep all
Toolbar item
changes.
palette.
So
Title actions. Toolbar item palette.
Can I
New chat.
just
Command N. Button.
command
yeah, you
N?
could do that. Yep. And then it will say, would you like to keep all changes? Hit yes.
The dialog. Alert. Cancel button. Starting a new chat will end your current edit session. Do you want to keep pending edits to 5 files? Cancel button.
Yes.
Cancel button. Cancel button. Undo and continue. Keep and continue. Default button.
There you go.
I love that accessibility signal. That's cool.
Build with agent
Yes.
mode.
It
AI
will make
responses
a
may be
different noise if it's undone. You know, it's like bleh, like it's a descending tone.
Okay. What do we want to do first?
First, whatever you want to do, right? Like I said, in this iteration, you are going to be using all the tools that I've given you so far. So that includes the web search and things like that, right? So the next, like I said, next time you'll get a bunch of power tools, but not right now.
So, should we tackle how it looks on Mac? Or should
what
we
do you?
tackle accessibility first?
It's your wow. It's your call. What you want to do. You are the person in charge of this, not me, not Michael.
Well, okay, here's my thinking process. With Swift, you probably want to set the structure first, right? Or,
Potentially.
okay, so then let's see.
You
right.
want to set the how it's going to be designed before you do accessibility. That way, you don't have to come back and do accessibility again.
Okay.
Space T H G I. Selection replace new line. Selection replaced.
You
Red
learn
comma.
it from Michael.
Copy H I. Selection replace new line. Selection replaced. Right. Now comma. Space. The.
The
Act.
app.
Looks. Very. C E. Stretched. Out. On. Space N O. Space T. Out period. Space. Can. We. Have. List. On. A. Sidebar. And. List. Items. N I. Space S. E. M. T. I. Items. In. The. Middle question mark. Space.
And he says, don't press enter yet.
So I'm going to give you my feedback on that.
Okay.
Uh-oh. You'd press enter. Oh
So
no.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
so here's what I would say. You have described it pretty well there, but maybe the AI has a more creative way of laying that out.
Okay.
So what I would do is say, this is looking great on an iPhone screen, but not well on a Mac or iPad. Is there any ways that we can use the current layout on
Pages, tab, new window.
iPhone, and maybe a navigation stack on iPad and Mac. And that way you're being a little bit more specific, but also kind of leaving it up for the interpretation of the AI.
Okay, so let's see.
Selection replaced. This.
This
Look.
works.
S. Great. On. iPhone, comma, space. But. Can. Double space N, A, C, space T. But. Looks. Stretched. Out. On. iPad. And. Mac period. Space. Can. We. Use. Something. Like. A. Navigation. T. Stack. 4. iPad. And. Mac question mark.
What do you think?
And keep the same design for iPhone.
Question mark. Space. And. Keep. The. Same. Design. 4. iPhone question mark. Selection replace new line. Working group. Working group.
This is exciting.
I'll scan the key swiftly files to understand the current layout and data flow so I can adapt the UI and use a split view on iPad/Mac while keeping the iPhone design. Search for files matching backquote */*. Swift backquote 16 matches. Collapsed button. Group read visited link content view. Swift 14 more items group.
One thing I really like is that it's keeping the dark mode kind of look that I have on my Mac.
I'll scan the key swiftly files to understand the current. I'll scan the key swiftly. I'll refine the adaptive view to avoid it. Add an add list flow in the sidebar and keep selection in sync when list change so it works smoothly on iPad/Mac.
Okay.
Sounds promising.
I didn't quite get what it said about UI kit.
It's gonna get rid of
I'll
UI
refine the
kit, so
adaptive
it's
view to
more
refine the adaptive
adaptive
view to
and
avoid it.
user
Add an add list flow in the sidebar and keep selection in sync when
It's
list
gonna
change so it works
avoid
smoothly on
UI kit.
iPad/Mac.
That's weird.
Heading level 2. Try it. Bullet smoke test. Logic validated. Selection stays valid when list change.
Okay, well, we're done
I'll make it.
processing, so
Create your
let's.
issue button. Create your
Alright.
issue. Sample app.
Do I close sample app first?
Code.
I'm guessing.
Sample app. Sample app window. My tasks. Collection.
Yeah,
Actions
might as
available.
well.
Character palette. Heading list.
I'm gonna click that.
Sample app. Sample app window. Edit quiz code. Content view. Swift. Zoom. Us. Code. Sample. Code data.
Okay.
Desktop group.
Whoa, Zoom got laggy.
Scroll area.
Oh, that's
Run.
crazy.
Build succeeded. System dialog.
Yay!
Sample app window. Edit
Okay,
button. Heading list. Add button.
okay.
Toggle sidebar. Button sidebar. Collection. One more item group.
Let me full screen
Sample app.
this.
Full screen. Minimize button. Full screen button. Space list. Edit
Now,
button. Heading list. Add
what
button.
did it do this time?
Sample
Let's
app.
talk
Sample app.
about
Add new window.
Well,
Sample app.
it
Add new window.
seems to be liking
Apple
voiceover
submenu.
a bit better, so let's see.
Sample app. Sample app. Edit button. Heading list. Add button. Toggle sidebar. Button sidebar. Collection. One more item group.
Maybe not.
The group. 6 items.
Maybe
Edit
not.
button. Menu bar. Menu
Okay,
bar.
so
Michael, I know you have opinions.
this created a split view.
Heading list. Sample app. Sub add button. Close
So
button.
it
Zoom
has
button.
lists
Group.
on the side.
Toggle sidebar button. Sidebar collection. And text.
My
Out of text.
tasks. With our item on the
Heading my
other
tasks.
side.
Launch new app. Collection. Launch new app. August 6th.
We can try making another
Add button.
task if you think that. Ooh, I see a problem.
What's that?
We don't have a way to delete the task.
Uh-oh.
Launch new app.
Okay.
August 16th.
Well,
2025.
hold that thought.
Collection.
Because the
But
next
My task.
this
time,
is
Heading my
looking a
tasks.
little better, I think.
the
Menu bar.
next time that we
Close
do
button.
this,
Zoom button.
you're gonna have some power tools.
Do we still have add? Yes, we do. Okay.
Heading by tasks.
Looking
Sidebar collection.
better. Thoughts, Michael? It's okay, I'll mute.
Menu bar. Menu bar.
It's looking much better.
Mute my audio button. Group.
It's
Audio now muted.
looking extremely like an iPad Mac app, for sure. It's gonna have still the accessibility issues, but that is reading how most of those work. It's looking pretty nice. Yes, you're going to have to add all of the features you want, like deleting and all of those things. And there's a few ways you can do that, and I know Taylor's going to go over some things that you can do. But you can add a delete button to the edit. You can AI will even add voiceover actions as well, and you can also add swipe to remove, and that is a action that AI knows how to add. So all of those things are possible in this in what you're doing with Copilot. So you've already taken the first steps in building a to-do list app.
Okay.
You are muted now.
So-
Press Shift plus Command plus 8. Audio now unmuted.
I
Zoom,
said,
plus add new window.
woohoo, I'm muted.
Oh, look. Sometimes you have scenarios where even searching the web is not the most efficient. Sometimes you have scenarios where maybe you want it to run your project in Xcode for you and then open it for you. Or sometimes you want it to iterate on its own errors without going a little crazy. Well, here's the thing. I'm introducing you to something called MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's written by Anthropic, makers of Claude. The reason it's so amazing is because it connects your data to AI agents. There are tons of MCP servers from things like Notion and HubSpot and other things. And let's just say that there is one for the Apple Shortcuts app. Well, we won't talk about that right here, but I'm sure Michael's going to be interested in that. But
He says, yeah.
uh-oh. But there's also one that's called Xcode like runner. Basically, it will run your project in Xcode and like manipulate Xcode for you.
What?
So here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sending you a couple links, and you're going to need to install these. Now it's not hard. Blah, blah. All right, but first thing you're going to do, we have another MCP. Let's say that sometimes you just want to have it fetch the documentation. So say you're working with Swift UI. You want it to have the latest and greatest practices. You want it to be fetching it from Apple's documentation, but you don't want to do that yourself. Well, there's another one. It's called the Context 7, and this is an amazing MCP. So what I want you to do is go to your command palette, Command-Shift-P.
Let me get there first.
Debug Navigator. Space with Application
You're
Finder.
gonna go
Messages.
crazy
Scope.
and
Sign in.
find all
Expanded.
this.
Disclosure. Sample app. Visual Zoom. Us. Visual Studio Code.
Studio
Code. Content view. Swift. Code sample. Create your issue button. Create your issue.
No, we don't want to create that. Command Shift P.
GitHub Copilot. Developer. Clear temporal context recently used. Select greater chat button. Group.
Okay.
Okay, then
What are we looking for?
so you're gonna type in MCP or like configure MCP or like there's gonna be a list of MCP servers. I'm trying to find the exact command. So type in MCP configure or something in
GitHub
that
full
command
23
palette.
results. Great account. Account 11 tech. MCP. Open user configurations. 4 results. 10 results. Con. MCP. Open workspace folder. MCP configuration
Not
selected.
that.
Merge conflict. Previous conflict selected.
Not that.
MCP. Add server. Similar commands. MCP. List servers selected. Accounts. Manage trusted MCP
You
servers for
could do
accounts selected.
list server, see what happens.
I have PTSD when I hear merge conflict.
Michael.
Is that the one that we need though? Can we use...
MCP.
I'm trying to
servers selected.
find
Merge
browse
conflict.
servers,
Accept
that's
host
it.
selected.
Browse servers. Browse servers.
MCP. Browse servers selected.
Thank you.
Add search extensions in marketplace.
Enter.
Enter an MCP insertion and end of text. Create your issue. But toolbar item palette. Toolbar item smoke test. Logic validated.
Now, what it's going to do is there's going to be a link that you can click on. It has all the MCP servers that it's like a big directory.
Oh boy.
Create your issue
Yeah.
button. Create your issue.
So we got to figure out how to get you to that link. In fact, you know what? I could just send that to you.
MCP servers
Here.
extended.
Make this
That'd be
easier.
great. Oh wait, hang on.
Group. MCP servers. MCP servers. Group. Toolbar. Group. Toolbar. Group. MCP servers extend agent mode by installing MCP servers to bring extra tools for connecting to databases, invoking APIs, and performing specialized tasks. Extend agent mode by installing MCP servers to bring extra tools. Browse MCP servers. Browse MCP servers.
That
There
one?
you go. That one, yep.
Browse MCP servers button. Untitled window image. Discover and install MCP servers in VS Code web content.
Now you're
MCP.
gonna go absolutely crazy. There's so many
Extend
MCP
agent mode in VS
servers
Code.
in here.
Which one do I need?
So there's one that you will need. It's called Context 7.
Buttons menu. Windows spots menu. Links menu. Docs. Context 7.
There you go.
Link context 7. Discover and
Enter.
install upstash. Link context 7. Web content. Open link in new tab. Upstash link
Okay.
skip the container.
And then you should be able to, like,
Owner avatar image
interact.
visited link.
Let's see.
Owner avatar image visited link context 7 public what? Code menu pop up button.
Uh-oh, you went to the, I think there's supposed to be an install button. Whoops. We'll have to go back. Go back. We're on
Let's go
GitHub,
Toolbar
sorry.
valid.
Let's go back if I can. Here we go.
Go back menu but visited
I'm
link
back.
context 7.
All
Plugin face
right.
upstash. Visited link context 7 upstash. Get up to date version specific link install context 7.
There we go.
Install,
allow
there
toggle
you
button.
go.
To cancel toggle button. Always allow toggle button.
Always allow.
List of code. Browse MCP servers button. Frame 1 readme group.
Yeah.
And there should be like a thing
of
that
readme
needs to
group.
verify all that jazz.
Me.
Zoom floating video window system dialog. Tab group editor actions toolbar item palette heading level 2 context 7 level 1. Install. Install.
I think you have to press install one more time and that, because yeah, press install
Uninstall.
one more time. Okay, I think it's installed now. It said uninstall.
Whoa.
Okay, now here's the interesting one. I'm gonna send you this one. All you do, there's a link. Let me find the link real quick. You just
Well,
press.
is it on this page here?
No, not that one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna send you this link. Chat. This is gonna be in the description. I'm telling you, you're gonna go
Menu bar.
crazy when you figure this out.
Stop share button.
Oh, whoops!
Share
I gave
button.
you the wrong one link. I'm glad I
Chat button.
checked
Group.
before I
Pause
gave
button.
you the. Let's see. I almost gave you the wrong link. I'm telling you, this is absolutely game changing.
I'm excited.
Now, all right, hold on. I'm trying to copy this real quick. All right, let me send this to you. Now, you can do these things in Cursor or Windsurf, but the thing is they take tokens. At least with Copilot, it's a lot easier to do these MCPs.
Woohoo!
And there's even MCPs for like Blender or other things for 3D printing.
Nice.
Okay, here's
Sent?
the link.
Okay.
Yes, I just sent it. This is Insiders, but it will install regular. That's just the link I had to send you.
Don't think I've gotten it yet, but let me look.
It's in your text.
Yes. I'm not sharing for the moment. Are you sure you sent it to me?
Hopefully. Oh, I think I sent it to my mother. She is not gonna know what to do with that. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, I did. I'm sorry.
That's funny.
And thanks for 5 people watching, by the way.
Yeah, thank you so much. Glad to have you.
Oh my god, she's like, what's this? I'm like, oh
Oh
no. It's like it's an MCP server. Okay. Shoot, man. Let's try this again.
no!
Oh shoot. All right. Here we go. Try it again. Sorry.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you sent it to. There we go.
I sent it to a group.
All right.
God, this is so much fun.
I
You are
am
gonna
very much
flip
enjoying
out.
this.
You are gonna like, oh my gosh.
Let's do this.
This is a
And
whole other
then
level.
I'm gonna resume share
You are screen sharing.
You got it installed?
Heading level 2. Scope view install.
and then
Code
install.
MCP server. Scope
Yeah.
view. Code sample. Heading level 2. Scope view. Toolbar item palette. Heading level 2. Scope view. Toolbar item palette name. 7 more items.
Why are we going crazy?
Uninstall.
I don't know.
Uninstall button.
There
Heading
we
level 2.
go.
Scope view. Toolbar item palette. 7 more items. Document.
Make
Can
sure
you
it's like
chill?
I
There
think
we
there
go.
might be some configuration, so let's like sure.
Heading level 2. Scope view. Toolbar item palette. Toolbar zoom floating video window system
What do we
dialog.
got?
Group.
Okay.
MCP servers extend agent mode by installing MCP servers to bring extra tools.
Now,
Group.
I think that's
Scope view
installed.
Level 1.
Think it's installed.
Heading level
Good.
2.
Okay, I
Uninstall.
think it's fine now. Yep. Let's.
Toolbar
Okay,
item palette.
now close that. So you got 2 MCP servers. You got 2 tools at your disposal, plus the web. Okay, so now you're
Windows
starting to
submenu.
almost get to my level.
Group. MCP servers extend agent
Okay.
explorer. Shift command D. Group.
Can
So
I?
now
Explorer.
do
Shift
the
command
agent
files
mode.
explorer table application. Source control. Control shift D. Group.
Okay.
So the app attacks
Wait.
automatically.
Oh yeah. Command Shift I.
Yeah,
Chat input.
and then
Agent
you
mode.
can
Edit
use
files in
new
your workspace.
chat.
Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor new line. Insert.
And then do what?
New chat for a new iteration.
New chat. Command. I
And
thought
push
it
2.
was Command N, but
It
So the
is,
app attacks automatically.
but I
Yes?
guess it
Automate
may,
the UI
but
adaptive.
maybe
Keep your
it's
current
me.
iPhone design.
Well,
The dialog. Alert.
sometimes it
Cancel
doesn't
button. Starting
always
a new chat will
work.
end your current cancel button. Cancel button.
Oh yeah,
Undo
here we
and
go.
keep and continue. Default button.
Keep and continue.
Okay, now here's
I
where
love that
things get
sound.
fun. So you're going to do what you were going to do. What are you working on this time?
Let's see. What should I add? I need to add a way to delete tasks.
Yes. So the thing
It's a big
is
one.
that
And lists.
yeah, MC. So like it could probably do it, but the thing is like sometimes it doesn't know the voiceover action. So that's why we have the MCPs. So here's what you're gonna say. Make sure you're in the prompt. Are you ready to
Build with
type
agent
this?
mode. AI responses may be inaccurate. Group. Add content. Open editors selected. Toolbar item palette. Chat.
Yeah,
Toolbar item
make sure
palette.
you
Group.
can type.
MCP server. Scope view. Toolbar item palette. Group. MCP server.
Uh-oh.
Hello?
Hello.
MCP server. Scope view.
Shoot.
Code sample web content.
I'm stuck. There we go.
Chat and add context. Command
It
slash.
does
But
add
There we
more
go.
tools, so it gets a little cluttered, but it's fine. It's worth it. So, what you're gonna type is something to the effect of, say what you're gonna say, and then after that, just say use context 7 to get all documentation to complete this task.
Okay.
now.
And Michael, I think you should be watching this
to
too, because I don't
add.
think you have done this yet. So,
What do we want to do? Like swipe to delete?
right, or voiceover action, or however you want to do that.
Swipe. To. L. E. Delete. C. U. F. Functions.
And
Voiceover.
voiceover.
Actions. To.
To
Delete.
delete tasks
Tasks. And.
lists.
List period. Space.
Use context.
7.
Oops. Space 7 or no space?
You don't. I mean, it'll figure it out. But so you could use.
Context
I
7.
think it's there. You go.
Space.
Constant. MC.
P
P.
MCP.
to complete the task.
To. Complete. The. Task period. Space.
Then, okay, you could say when you're done, or run it in Xcode with the Xcode MCP.
When. You. Are. The space. Run. It. In. Z. D.
Ooh.
O. C. Z.
Xcode for the
Code.
on your Mac, so it doesn't use a simulator, right? So just say
Xcode on my Mac.
On.
yeah, Xcode run destination Mac.
Space. N.
Hopefully.
O.
See, this is why I'm being very specific.
Run. Destination.
No.
Space. N. O. T. A. N. I. N. S. E. D. Space. On. My. Mac. Alt quick nav on. Alt quick nav off.
Oh dear. All right, so I think is that it?
Group.
I think so, yeah.
This looked great on iPhone, but looks stretched out on iPad and Mac. Can we use something like a navigation stack for iPad and Mac and keep the same design for iPhone? This looked great on iPhone, but looks stretched out on iPad and Mac. Can we use something like a navigation stack for iPhone?
Okay, press
What?
down now. Oh, no.
Now we need to add swipe to delete functions and voiceover actions to delete
There you
tasks and
go.
lists. Use context 7 MCP to complete the task. When you are done, run an installed run destination on my Mac. Now we need to add swipe to delete functions and voiceover actions to delete tasks and
That's
lists.
good.
Anything
Press
else?
enter. Nope. Let's do that for now. Press enter.
You're
we need
like,
working.
no.
And you're gonna
Do what you
notice some
have.
big things happening.
Working.
So observe.
Observing.
Working. I open the course with files to see. I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to delete and voiceover delete actions. Then wire up a build slash run. Progress. I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I open the course with file read visited link total store visited link content view visited link sample underscore app. I open the course with file working. I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe.
He's working on it. You better use the context 7. You better. I think it will. Okay, let's see what it's doing.
I'll add swipe actions and voiceover delete actions to list and item rows. Then build and run the app on an available iOS simulator via Stove Tools. Group.
Hey, no.
I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to delete and voiceover delete.
Well,
Chat confirmation
least
required.
trying to
Run
use-
backward list underscore stem progress. Continue.
Oh,
No chat input.
okay,
Agent mode. Edit files in your
so-
workspace.
okay,
Chat
stop,
confirmation
stop.
required. Continue.
So what it's
Progress.
doing is it's listing the libraries and it's using context 7.
Woohoo!
So continue that
Continue.
and make sure
Chat
you
input.
hit
Agent mode. Edit files
always
in your workspace.
allow,
Press enter to send out the
for
request.
the...
Use option F1. I open the
No.
course with files to see how tasks. I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to delete and voiceover delete actions. Then wire up a build slash run. Read visited link.
Oh, goodness.
Chat confirmation required. Run command in terminal. Set echo current dev dir. Stove to progress.
It's setting environment variables, I guess.
Chat content list.
MCP.
Continue. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. I open the course with files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to delete and voiceover delete actions. Then wire up a build slash run. Use the accessible buffer option. Use the accessible buffer option to manually review outputs. Echo current dev dir. Stove select. P vertical line no my ZSH. You can update manually by running backquote arms update backquote edit. Echo current dev dir. Stove select. P vertical line through echo stove apps. -1 slash applications vertical line grep. I apostrophe caret stove vertical line through if. D slash application slash stove. App slash content slash
And
developer.
try
Then echo
your
attempting
big
to select
terminal
stove. App
command.
stove
It
select.
seems fine.
I mean, I allowed
Progress.
it.
Group. Chat content list. Cancel. Continue.
Where's the more
Chat content list.
option?
I open the course with
That's
I
all
open the course with
see
files
is-
to continue. I open the
all I
course
see
with
is
files to see how tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to chat content
Okay.
list. I open the course
We'll
with
just
files
say
to continue.
I'm not sure where it went.
I open the course with
Over
files
here
to see how tasks
somewhere.
and continue. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your work chat content
It's
list.
okay.
But it's using all the MCPs that we set up. And you know, there's also MCPs for Figma, where it can get your Figma designs.
Ooh, that's
Oh.
kind of neat.
Yeah.
It might make some
also-
people mad, but I'm not a huge fan of Figma. They,
Also, Notion. It can do Notion.
I want to love Figma. I have a love-hate
Search working.
relationship.
And you notice it's taking longer.
I'll clean up a
because it's
potential API
using
misuse by
more
removing
tools.
unnecessary. On the split view list to avoid compile issues. Then proceed. Chat confirmation required.
Uh-oh.
Run command in terminal. /application /stove data. App /content /progress.
No, this is good. So hit
Continue.
run. What
Chat
it
input.
did is
Agent
it
mode. Edit
found
files in
an
your
error
workspace.
and it's
Press enter to send out the
fixing
request.
itself.
Use option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor new line insertion at the beginning of text. Application.
This is
I open
why
the course
the
with files to see how
MCPs
tasks
are
and lists
so
are modeled and rendered so
helpful.
I can add swipe to delete and voiceover delete.
I think because it's a build action, it won't let you auto approve it.
Chat confirmation required. Run command progress. Continue.
Continue.
Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor new line insertion at the beginning of text.
Look,
Application.
I'm interacting. I'm pressing continue buttons. No. Well, the cool thing is that
Chat confirmation required. Run command in terminal progress.
Oh my God.
once this finishes, I'll be able to have code snippets.
55 more items. Group. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat accessibility help.
I should
Editor new
actually
line
read
insertion
what
at the
it's
beginning of text.
outputting.
Application.
Maybe. Right? That might be helpful. Or you could just,
Chat
And you
confirmation
just
required.
keep
Progress.
making.
Group. Use developer underscore
Okay,
Dirt at one file
hang
change.
on.
Group. Keep all edits. Command enter. Button. Undo. Use developer underscore Dirt access simple and startable from scope data. List available simulators and schemes.
Oh, it's
Continue.
trying
Is this good
No,
or not?
it's fine. It's trying
Continue.
to
Chat input. Agent mode.
do
Edit
what
files
it
in your workspace.
wants.
Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat visited. Link shell integration. Group.
I mean, it's so
Chat
funny
content list
though.
one file changed. Group. Keep all edits. Enable visited. Link shell integration.
Ooh, okay. This is
Chat
interesting.
confirmation required. Run command in terminal. Export developer underscore Dirt equals slash progress.
Okay.
67 more. Continue. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit file.
AI has decided to self-destruct your computer. Continue? No, I'm kidding.
Chat conf
That
progress.
wouldn't happen.
No, it wouldn't.
It
Continue.
would
Chat
not
input. Agent
happen.
mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor new
Taylor,
line.
how many
Insertion at the
people
beginning of
do we
text.
have
Application.
watching?
We have
And do we have
3.
any chats?
We don't have any chats. Y'all are quiet, too quiet. All this madness. I'm
I
gonna laugh
told
my
you
butt
all
off.
I need a color
Chat confirmation
that I
required. Run
should.
command in terminal. Export developer underscore Dirt equals slash application slash scope data. App slash contents progress.
What's going on here?
Lifted society. What do y'all got going on tonight? We got craziness. Sorry, I didn't see your chat.
You shouldn't tell me what. Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah, I said what y'all got
Pause
going
button.
on
Michael's being
tonight.
mischievous.
Oh
Start video
no,
button.
we can't
Mute my
have
audio
that.
button. Group audio
But
now
thank
muted.
you for being here,
Tilt slash desktop slash
Lifted
code sample slash
Society.
sample app slash sample
Welcome
app
to the
slash use slash
channel.
photo views. Swift
If you
bullet
haven't
sending changes from GitHub
subscribed,
copy
please
list
do
group.
that. We are all blind and we code and we have fun and I've got special guests. This is my YouTube channel. And yeah, we have a lot of fun. We might be trouble too, but we have fun.
So we've been talking also about 3D printing,
Oh yeah, we've been
and
doing that too.
and I wanted to tell Lauren that one of the things that you can find on the printer she has on in the Anchor Make app is a articulated sea turtle, and it's a
Unmute my audio
really
button.
neat
Group.
size as well.
You are muted now. Press shift plus command plus A to unmute your mic. Audio now unmuted. Zoom.
So, for
Add
those of
new
you
start
who
video
are
button. Group.
not aware or were not here,
Video now
Michael
started.
gave me a little articulating goldfish in is this is silk, right? It's like a gold silk filament, and it moves around. It's got the little fish face and the fins and a little tail fin, which I think is hilarious. So now I have to print a little sea turtle to go with it. Maybe I need to make a little like under the sea collection on my desk at work. Who knows? We'll see what I get on with. Ugh.
Stop video button. Group.
Wait,
Video
I
now
don't know
stopped.
how many. Okay, I
Mute
think
my
I
audio
had a
button.
new
Group.
subscriber. I don't know. Oh yeah, I had 858 before. Never mind. Okay, well,
Create
you
your
guys
issue
should
button. Create your issue
subscribe.
button. Create.
Come on, let's go.
Subscribe. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Cause
Whoa, we have 7 people watching. Thank y'all, everybody. We
hello,
just jumped up. Holy moly, we had
welcome.
4. Now we have 7. Thank you for
Taylor
being here.
is teaching me how to use Copilot to make an app in Swift UI.
Hold on, I think
So this
YouTube
is
is
fun.
breaking. Hold on, I think it's corrupt.
Continue.
Hold
Command enter
on.
button.
Continue.
Chat
It's
input. Agent mode.
corrupt.
Edit files in your workspace.
It says
Press
I
enter
have
to send out the
4 than
request. Use
7.
option F1 for chat accessibility help. Editor new line. Insertion at the beginning of text. Application.
Whatever. Let's see. Let's see. Let me look on my end too.
Y'all,
One of the people was me, so.
it's fine.
Chat confirmation required. Run back quote open underscore sim back quote. Left raise right race. Press command plus enter to accept or command plus
I
escape
don't
to
know
skip
what
progress.
it's doing. What is it doing?
It does say for watching.
Yep.
So, all right.
Thank you, everybody. Michael, if you want to say anything too, you can do that.
All right. Run.
Continue. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to code notifications. Notifications main code notification. Space with applications messages. Finder. Code and notes.
Wow. Hang on.
Desktop group.
Here we go. Aw, it's gonna run it on the phone.
Oh no, that's fine. We'll
Hang
see if it
on.
works.
It's doing things.
Okay, good.
It's working.
I would like to see it on the phone though. It would be nice to see it.
It's working. It's showing the home screen.
Settings button.
So, do I need to find the app or should it open on its
Wallet button.
own?
Wallet button.
Is it open?
No, it's here. Wait, let's see.
Accessibility app test button.
Oops.
Accessibility test button.
Nope.
Accessibility app test button.
Nope. I've been doing some
Files button.
testing, as you can see. It's not opening. It's not showing up.
Well, just run it on the Mac like you're actually. Did you accept the terminal command? There was another terminal command.
Visual Studio Code. Space with code containing Windows photo views. Swift code sample. Pending changes from GitHub Copilot. Full screen space.
There we go.
One file change. Group. Keep all edits. Command enter. Dim button. Undo all edits. Command fit model.
One
Option
file
command.
change.
Keep enable current file context.
Okay.
Simulator. iPhone 15 Pro. iOS 18.0 window. Action button.
There
Accessibility
you
test
go.
button.
There's simulator.
I
Accessibility app
just
test
alt
button.
tab to it.
Oh.
iOS 18.0 action button. Volume up button. Volume down. Fitness. Volume down button. Fitness button.
All right, y'all are
Actions
amazing
available.
in
Double
chat.
watch button. Contacts button. Files button. Two apps. Utility accessibility test button. Accessibility app test.
Nope. These are two apps that are not on my computer.
Fitness button. Watch but code. Photo views. Swift code sample. Pending
Let's
changes from
just go
GitHub
ahead
Copilot.
and run it
Window.
the way
Chat
we
input.
were then.
Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace.
Well,
Group.
at this point, we keep getting more and more things, so
What do you mean?
we'll see. I got
Chat confirmation
another.
required. Run command in terminal.
Oh.
Export developer underscore dir equals slash applications progress.
I think I have
Oh,
to
you know
cancel
what?
this. Should I? What?
No, you know why?
Create your
Because
issue
it's
button. Create
finding
your image.
errors and it's iterating on itself.
The only thing I can think of is
Simulator.
hang on.
Safari. Messages. Scope data. Sample app. Zoom. Us. Sample app. Sample
Wait,
app.
with
Sample
that.
app. Window. My quit sample app. Code. Photo views. Simulator. Safari. Messages. 93 new items. Safari. Simulator. Visual studio pages. Mail 5008 notes. Finder. Zoom. Scope data. Messages. 93 new items. Scope data.
Oh my
Messages.
god,
Safari.
where are the
Simulate. Visual studio pages.
Simulator.
Visual Studio
Studio
Code.
Code.
Photo views. Swift. Code sample. Pending changes from GitHub Copilot with chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. Use option at group.
Whoa.
Image. Terminal 1. ZSH
What's
use option
wrong?
F1 for terminal accessibility. Help. Edit text. Photo views. Swift sample app slash views. Chat content list. One file change. Group. Keep all edits. Command end group. Photo views. Swift sample app slash views. Group. Chat confirmation required. Run command in terminal. Export developer underscore dir equals
So I had
101 more items. Group.
another
Progress.
iteration of sample app,
Continue.
which is a
Continue.
great name
No
now that I
action
think
input.
about
Agent mode.
it.
Edit files in your
Yeah,
workspace.
it's
Press
a
enter to send out the
great
request. Use
name, you know.
we should.
It's
I should have done better. I know better.
Well, guess what? You can fix it.
I can't. But anyway, I had one
Yes, you
open
can.
already,
Okay.
and so I'm thinking that maybe if I close it, it'll work. But let's see.
Simulator.
Yeah, or you can run it
Simulator.
manually. It
iPhone
does
15
not
Pro.
matter,
iOS 18.0
right?
window.
But
I
Accessibility
may
app test
have
button.
to because
Actions
it just
available.
keeps
Double tap to open.
iterating on
that's
Fitness
itself.
button.
fine.
Watch button.
That's
Contacts
fine.
button. Files
Yeah.
button. Labs.
But either
Utility
way, I
folder
mean,
button.
it
Zoom.
should
Fitness
work
button.
it.
Watch button.
Yeah.
Contacts button.
Let me
Files button.
close
Quit simulator.
this.
Messages. Michael and Taylor window. Toolbar group as keyboard. Visual Studio Code. Space with code containing Windows.
Okay.
One file change. Group. Keep all edits. Command enter. Button. Undo all edits. Command back group. Group. End of attached button. Group. Enable
Let's
current
just
file
go
context.
ahead and run
File.
it
Add context.
manually
Add
and
context.
Xcode.
Add
Just
context.
press
Command
Command
application.
R.
Trying to
Application.
get
Tool Copilot underscore.
to.
The tool Copilot. Read. Visited. Link. Photo models. Read. I've
Oh
opened the
my
core Swift files to see how
goodness.
tasks and lists are modeled and rendered so I can add swipe to delete and voice over delete.
Let me read this visually because it's decided that it wants
One
to
file change. Group. Keep all edits. Command
continue.
110 more items. Group.
Pause. Should I
Link.
pause
Unhelpful.
it? Whoa. Sorry,
Yes,
Michael is zooming across his screen, and all I saw was flickering light. Um,
Michael.
oh, that was funny. Okay, so
Pause button.
it says
110 more items. Group.
continue to iterate.
Oh yeah. Okay. So here's the other
Pause
thing.
button.
Yes, hit continue, but there's
110 more items.
also
Group.
a agent max
110 more
request,
continue
and
button.
it's like there's tool calls, and you can set that to a high number so that you won't have that again.
I'll
But
just
yeah,
Continue to iterate.
continue.
Add one more item. List item. Edit
Continue.
working.
continue to iterate.
Visited. Link. Photo. Edited photo views. Swift. 4 insertions. 4. Group. Edited photo views. Swift. 4 insertions. 4 delete. Attempt to build the app for the iOS simulator SDK 26.0 to validate our changes. Compile. Group.
Continue.
Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to send out the request. Use option F1 for chat. Edited photo views. Swift. 4 insertions. 4 deletions. Button. Group checked. Visited. Link. Photo views. Swift. No problem found. 8 more items. Group.
Working. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna run it.
Yeah. But again, what you're noticing, at least it's taking its time and making sure that it's like getting context.
Yes, that's cool.
It may seem like it's taking a lot
Chat
longer,
confirmation
but
required.
like
Run command in
hopefully.
terminal. Export developer underscore dir equals slash application
Yeah,
slash code data.
go ahead
App
and
slash context
manually
slash
run it.
developer.
I
I'm
know
gonna go
it's,
ahead and manually run it.
Messages. 93 new light. Safari. Scope data. Zoom.
but
Us. Scope
still,
data.
I mean,
Debug nav space with application.
I mean,
Finder.
this is
Messages.
still really
Scope. And notes.
cool. Let's see. I'm
Run.
curious.
Build failed system dialog.
No.
Okay, well,
Scroll area.
Okay, so
Desktop.
here's
Group.
what
Issue
you can
navigator. Table.
do.
Row 1 of 7. Sample app.
Let's figure why it failed. Don't worry, all hope's not lost.
Cannot find
God
accessibility action in scope.
forever.
Level 2.
No, I'm kidding.
So here's what you can do.
Whoa.
Start a new
Menu
chat.
bar. Issue. No row selected. Visual Studio Code. Space with code containing Windows Photo Views. Swift. Starting a new chat will end your current cancel button. Cancel button. Cancel.
Yep.
Undo and keep and continue default button.
Keep continue.
Total chat
And
input.
then
Agent mode.
say,
Edit file.
can you please help me fix the errors? And it will do that. Watch this.
Build with agent mode. Group. Enable attached chat input. Agent mode. Edit attached file. Photo views. Swift slash user slash Lorenz slash desktop slash code sample app slash use button. Group. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press enter to set select can. U. A E L. E. Please. Help. Me. Fix. The. Following. Errors question mark. Space. Please. Search. The. Web. For. Solutions period. Space. Issue navigate space with
Here?
application finder. Messages. Code and notes. Options.
Yeah,
Of.
write it in
Photo views.
VS
Error image.
Code.
Sample app. 5 issues. Photo views. Error image. Options. Cannot find accessibility action in scope. Cannot find accessibility action in scope. Added to selection. 6
I'm
rows
gonna
selected.
put in my
Photo
2
views.
cents here.
Oh no.
No. Yes, go ahead.
Taylor, this is one area where I disagree with you on. If you're going to create a new chat, never, ever, 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 ever keep content that has errors.
Okay. Well,
Don't
I'll,
don't don't do that, because what that means is that you've just told it to create a checkpoint where you have errors. Always keep if you need to revert back. Don't take a step forward into starting a new chat with errors, because now that chat bot has no idea the context of those errors. It just has errors and it has to go out and look how to fix them. But yeah, never ever ever have build errors at the start of a chat, and especially after you had the option of saying you screwed up, revert back.
I guess I screwed up, but you know what? I guess the reason I told her to do that was because I'm like, maybe the context was just getting overloaded. So
No, just it's better just to start over.
okay, well, then we could do paste the errors in and we'll see if we can fix them
Yeah.
that way. There we go.
Sounds good. Good
Sorry
to know
about
for the
that, Michael.
future. No, I mean, I think we're all learning. We can always improve.
This stuff
So
changes on the weekly.
it does. It does. No one is a master.
Options.
Okay,
Cannot
let's
find
do
accessibility action in
this.
scope. Added to selection. Copy. Visual Studio Code. Code. Photo views. Swift. Create your issue. Build with agent mode. AI responses may be inaccurate.
We're going
Group. Photo views.
to...
Swift. Toolbar item palette. Attached file. Group M.
AI responses might be inaccurate. Yes.
Space.
All right.
Build with agent mode. Extreme reader optimized. Group.
Okay.
New
We're
line.
going to paste these in.
Slash user slash Lorenz slash desktop slash code sample slash. Chat request sent. Working. Working. Group. Progress.
It's all right. We'll fix it.
We shall see.
Progress. Working. Chat confirmation required. Fetch web pages. Press command plus enter to accept or progress.
That's good. It's trying to
I
fetch
say
web
after
pages.
this iteration, we
We will
wrap
be
it
done.
up.
Yep.
And then we come back, and maybe on another live, I will show you what I've gotten done so far.
That's like a good plan.
Do y'all want to cover real quick after
Continue.
this iteration, real quick, how to do models?
Yes.
And I also want to mention, I finally found a color blue I'm not that big a fan of.
Oh no.
So I'll bring it to you, Lauren. This is called metallic blue.
Let me mute. 1
Share
second.
button. Start video button. Mute my audio button. Group.
Let's
Audio now muted.
approve the command.
Start video button. Group. Video now started. You are muted now. Press shift plus command plus A to mute your microphone or press and hold this code. Word.
And then
Menu bar. Menu bar. Menu bar. Menu bar. Chat input. Agent mode. Edit file group. End of attached file. Chat confirmation required. Run back quote. Discover underscore project back quote. Left brace workspace with colon slash user slash Loren folder slash desktop slash code progress. Stop video. But video now stopped. Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Create your issue button. Group.
All right.
I'll pull up the relevant Swiftly document. Go submenu. Unmute audio now unmuted.
I was
Go
muted the
submenu.
entire time.
Create your
I
issue
like
button.
what
Create
it's
your issue
doing.
button. Create your issue button.
It's
Group.
getting the
Pull up the
documentation
relevant
to fix
Swiftly
the
documentation
issue.
pages. Continue. Command enter. Continue.
Okay, so
This is using
Code.
MCPs.
Photo views. Swift. Code sample. Pending changes from GitHub. Chat confirmation required. Run back quote list underscore sims back. Progress. Chat input.
Yep.
Agent mode. Edit files in your workspace. Press
Continue
enter to
with
send out
those
the request.
listing
Use option
different
F1 for chat
libraries.
accessibility help. Editor new line. Insertion at the beginning of text. Application. I'll pull up the relevant Swiftly documentation pages to confirm the correct iOS 17 options. Usage is the proper way to define accessibility actions. Fetch for resources. Collapsed button. Group. I'm going to update the
this
Swiftly
is
code
the
to replace the
power
deprecated
of
options
these
API and
ones.
fix the accessibility actions by using the supported Swiftly modifiers, which would resolve all reported errors. 6 more items. Group.
What?
this is just, we got a lot done today.
Yeah, I mean, do you like everything you've learned?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I think this is going to help me better my code.
And again, I may
'Cause-
not be the most expert person, but you know what? I mean, you know,
You do great work. Do not discount yourself. And I cannot hear you. Oh, there you are.
And you could decide you don't want the Xcode MCP. I'd recommend keeping the context 7.
Remind me what the context 7 does.
That is like the documentation fetcher.
Ah.
I'll pull up the
Whoa.
relevant Swiftly documentation pages to confirm the correct
Whoa.
iOS 17
We're
options. Usage is the
scrolling
proper way to
now.
define accessibility actions. I'm going to update the Swiftly code to replace the deprecated options API and fix the accessibility. Sample app slash use. Check visited link total views. Swift 39 more items. Group.
Okay.
I
Total views.
recommend
Swift
doing
one
that.
file changed. Group. Keep all edits. Command enter. Button. Undo all edits. Command back. Bullet deprecated options.
Let's
None. Group.
see.
Set mode. Agent menu pop up collapsed. Button.
Oops.
Scope data. Messages 93 new Safari. Zoom. Finder. Notes. Mail. Pages. Visual suite. Scope base. Messages 93 new scope data. Issued items. Space with
No
application. Finder.
simulator,
Messages. Scope.
but
And notes.
let's
Source
run
editor.
it.
Edit text. New line. Run. Build succeeded. System dialog.
Yeah.
It succeeded.
See, do you see the power of that context 7?
Yes. We shall
Sample app.
see.
Sample app. Window. Edit button. Heading list. Add button. Toggle sidebar. Button. Sidebar. Collection. One more item. Group.
Whoa.
Navigator. Selected. Radio button. 1 of 2. Code.
What to do?
Okay. Well, it opened up really quick, first of
Sample
all,
app. Window.
which is good.
Add button. Heading my tasks. Collection. Add button. Heading my tasks. Select the group. 4 items. Add button. Heading my tasks.
Okay. So, at the top, we have edit on the left.
Edit button.
I would move that to the right, but that's just me. Lists, add,
Add
and
button.
then I don't know
Toggle
what
sidebar
this
button.
is. Toggle sidebar. I would put that on the left. It kind of did things a little backwards, but that's okay.
Coding assistant. Radio button. 2
Well,
of 2.
this one's on the right.
Edit button. My tasks.
So, is that? That's weird.
Toggle sidebar button.
Backwards. All right, let's see what the sidebar
Heading my
does.
tasks.
That has my tax. Oh, I
Coding
don't know if I
assistant.
like
Radio
that.
button.
The
2 of
sidebar.
toggle sidebar button.
Okay, so there's the sidebar. We've got add for lists.
My tasks.
We've got lists, my tasks, with nothing.
button.
Oh. Okay, I see what we did here.
Launch new app. Hi. August 16th. 2025. This is a test button.
Yeah, you can do the voiceover menu to see if there's action.
Confused. What do we do with this sidebar? Let's see.
Participants button. Group.
Sidebar
Heading my tasks.
collapses it and stretches it out again.
Toggle
So
sidebar
it
button.
looks like with this iteration, you can either use the split view
Launch new app.
or
Hi.
you
August 16th.
can
2025. This is a
collapse the sidebar.
add button.
We do have add buttons, and ooh,
My tasks.
I don't think it
Launch
did
new
what
app.
we
Hi. August 16th.
asked.
2025. This is a test
How
button.
do you know? Can
Zoom
you
floating
set
video window.
people
System
Well,
dialog.
that
So I
action?
asked it to create delete buttons,
Notifications may include alerts. Sounds.
or like swipe to
Heading my
delete
tasks. Chat button.
things,
Group.
I think, is what I
Heading my
asked it
tasks.
to do.
Launch new app. August 16th,
And that
2025.
is not
Visit a
What
test
about
working.
button.
voiceover
Oh,
actions? You
whoa!
also
Actually, it worked.
Launch new app. August 16th,
I'm
2025. Visit a
just
test button.
a
Edit button. Delete button. Edit delete.
beginner
Select.
on here. So we have edit and we have delete. That's really neat when
Launch
we
new app.
swipe.
August 16th. Launch new app. August 16th, 2025.
Let's see if
Collection. Toolbar group. Toolbar group. Collection. Heading my tasks. Collection. The collection launch new app. August 16th, 2025. Visit a test button.
how do I use voiceover actions on the Mac?
All quick nav on.
what is that? Let's see.
Heading my tasks. Collection.
It's the
The collection launch new app.
like the
All quick nav off.
command. Let's see.
All quick nav on. Window spots. Heading. Navigation. Characters. Words. Window spots. Heading.
What is that?
It's just the rotor. Whoops.
Command Control Option Space, I think.
Command Control Option Space. Okay.
I think.
Actions menu. 7 items.
Thank you. Let's see.
Delete. Launch. Edit. Mark complete. Delete. Edit. Press.
Holy crap, that is neat.
Show menu.
See?
Okay, so there's that for the tasks.
Collection.
We're gonna
Launch
escape.
new app. August 16th,
Now let's
2025.
try
Visit
this
a test
for
button.
our lists.
How to collect my heading my task. Add button. Heading my tasks.
Heading my tasks.
Collection.
Add.
Edit button. The collection launch new app. August 16th, 2025. Out of collection. Heading my
No.
tasks. Add
Where's
add
your
button.
list
Add button.
at?
Let's try. No. Okay. So it did what we needed for the task, but it
But
did
where's
not
your
do.
list, though? Where's your list?
Well, so what it did is it
Heading my
made
tasks.
the list a heading.
My tasks.
So yeah, that's like more
think.
specific. I
Issue
think
navigator
more
empty table. My tasks.
specificity will be needed.
Yeah, I think so. So,
My tasks.
but you know what? It gives me something to work on. And I will keep on iterating through this. So,
But hopefully you've learned a lot.
Launch new app. August 16th, 2025.
Absolutely.
Visit a test button. Collection.
so I'm going to close this, and I'm going
Stove.
to
Sample app. Photo views. Swift window. Source editor. Edit text. Currently online. 234. Save.
this and quit it.
Let me check chats.
Okay.
Messages. Michael and Taylor window. Toolbar code. Photo views. Swift code sample. Pending changes from
Let's
GitHub.
go ahead
Copilot.
and
Annotate button.
stop share.
Stop share.
All right.
All right, so now, shall we do models?
Absolutely.
All right, so this is how I'm doing.
Yes. Why are we doing this? Hang on. Back to meeting.
All right, let me get rid of some tabs here, and I'll show you how to do models.
Why are we doing that?
So for this, I'm gonna use. Let's see here. I'm gonna try and Copilot.
You're not hearing my audio anymore, do you?
No,
There we go.
let me close. I have a bunch of things open. All right, hold on. All right, let's do. I'm gonna start showing.
And while you do that, I'm going to pull up the YouTube video so that we can read chats.
Good, thank you so much.
You are welcome. Give me 2 seconds.
Oh, I'm not sharing my sound. Let me do that.
All right, y'all. Let me pull up this.
Zoom share toolbar window. Parallel desktop. Zoom.
You
Add new
have
window.
started screen share. Participants
Zoom.
can now
Add
see
new
your
window.
screen.
Okay, so 3D modeling. What I typically do is I use something called what's this thing called? Yeah, OpenSCAD. OpenSCAD is a textual-based CAD language, and it is amazing. It will help you be able to create shapes and code. And then I use OpenSCAD Playground on the web or OpenSCAD Cloud on the web to render them, and then I export them, and then Michael visually verifies them. So I'll show you my process. I'm gonna go to my 3D printing drive. I've got a Google, let's see. Yeah, I've got a Google Drive full of, oh, you know what? I think it's in my, where is this at? 3D printing. Let's see. I think it's in my, let's see, documents. Oops.
Glad to hear others vibe coding.
Yeah, we answered those earlier. So 3D models. I'm gonna put these all in VS Code. I don't know that I have the Context 7 MCP on here on this version. Oops. I'm gonna go to this. Oh,
So
you know what?
just for clarity, we're going to switch on to some 3D printing models.
Yep.
I had asked the question, we were having lunch today, and we brought up the idea of models, and I was like, man, I really need to learn how to do that because I've been struggling with it. So we decided to try to incorporate some of that into this live stream. So if you guys have questions, comments, concerns regarding 3D printing, please feel free to put them in the chat so that we can answer them.
And we're gonna use Copilot. So, let's see. I gotta figure out how to get those here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna go to the right drive here. Let's see. I gotta go to my 3D printing drive. All right. Let's see. 3D models, and then I'm gonna throw this in. I got my terminal. So I literally just pasted the path, and then I'm gonna go to CD, change directory, paste. Okay. This is where I keep all my code files for my 3D stuff. I'm gonna do code period. That will open up the folder in code. Okay. Yes, I trust myself. It'd be awkward if I didn't. I'm gonna do Control Shift I. I'm using Windows at this point. I'm in GPT-5, and I want to, let's see, I want to make a, I would just a Christmas tree. I'll just start with, let's see. I do not want 4.1.
By the way, you are not sharing your sound.
Uh-oh,
Zoom. Us.
that's
Zoom. Us.
priceless. Let me fix that. I thought I was. My apologies. That's awesome. Yes, it says I am.
It's weird. We weren't hearing anything that you were doing, but when you alt tab just
Zoom share
now,
global window system dialog. Parallel. Zoom.
now we
You
hear
Zoom
it.
have
window.
started
Voiceover off.
screen share.
You hear it now. Uh-oh.
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh. Something's up with parallels. Shucks. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't think about it until just now. I was sending
No,
a
I
message.
can't control it because I can't. You see a message? All right. Well, I have to be very descriptive, and that really stinks. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know why that's happening. Crud. All right. Well, all right. I guess I'm gonna keep continuing. So I put in chat. I said, make a Christmas tree. I put in GPT 4.5. Sorry, 5 as the
Don't forget
model.
to share as well.
I am sharing my screen.
It doesn't look like it's coming through.
Oh, for heaven's sakes.
Oh, hang on. Give me a second. Yes. Okay. You're good.
Okay. So now I'm gonna. And you don't hear the sound still, right?
No. No sound.
Weird. Shoot.
Yeah.
All right, so I said I want to make a 3D model with OpenSCAD of a Christmas tree. I'm going to press enter. It's going to say working. I've got the accessibility signals extension from Jaffort. It makes it a lot quieter because I don't want to have to hear all the noise, especially because it can get very verbose. But I will turn it on for this demo. Alt Shift S. Oh, nope. Hold on. I pressed the wrong button. Okay. There we go. All right, what's going on? I don't see the. Oh, here we go. I'm reading it. Okay. So I've got some other settings. So it's making a to-do list, and it's gonna try to have ornaments on it. Oh boy, this is gonna get interesting.
And I'm going to
Okay.
make sure I'm looking so that I can describe.
Please.
Absolutely.
It's creating to-do list. So there's actually a setting you can enable for to-do lists.
Ooh, so I see files on the side, and then I see no file open in the middle. And then I see a Copilot chat on the right that's
I have
working.
that on purpose. So remember, it's because I don't want to have any bias towards any other files. So I keep nothing
Got
open
it,
on the
that's
middle.
right. Okay.
Yep, it's really something I learned yesterday.
Get it together, Lauren.
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Oh, it has layered cones for branches. Oh wow, okay.
Ooh.
And I've never
Alright.
tried GPT-5 with modeling. So I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, y'all.
Still working.
Yep. Wonder why my sound's not coming through. That's annoying. Shoot.
Okay.
Well, I'll tell you what, I've had less audio cracking
I'm
issues.
adding a new Christmas tree
Yep.
file.
Alright, let's see. Oops. Oh no. Hold on. I pressed the wrong button. There we go. Alright. Now that. Okay. It's opening the file up so I can read it. Updating.
Mm-hmm. Created.
Yep. So we'll see what this is like. Now the file that I made is in the middle.
Two files.
I'm not gonna do that. I use a better software than the built-in OpenSCAD. I pressed Control 1 to go to the file, and I'm gonna go to my web browser.
Okay.
And I'm gonna type in OpenSCAD SCAD.cloud. I use the software a lot because it has a lot of good contrast. Whoops,
OpenSCAD dot what?
cloud. I hit new. Let's see. Open the editor. Okay, press escape on the helpful tutorial. And press Control V, paste it, and then find the play button. Here we go. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Easy, easy. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh dear. I don't think it worked. Not to worry. I think, like I said, this software is not always the best, because it's just not. But I use OpenSCAD Playground more often. But I like to show this software because it's good for demos, but it's just not working. So, because there's nothing on the right, right, Lauren?
Give me 1 second. I switched windows to check chats real quick. Give me 2 seconds.
I don't think there's anything on the right.
No new chats. So I'm going to
Yeah, page unresponsive. Yeah.
absolutely. So y'all keep chatting and letting us know. As of right now, I see. Looks like your OpenSCAD window on the whoa on the left, and then some like orange and white spheres kind of bouncing around.
Yeah, let me open the other software. This
And there's
one,
nothing in the middle. There's nothing in the grid area.
all right, this one kind of crashed. So let me open up the other software. Ooh, okay. OpenSCAD Playground. Now this is more reliable. Okay, get rid of the helpful thing over here. Now this one automatically previews. What do we
All
got here
right.
now?
Wow. Okay, so
What do we got?
we have OpenSCAD, and then we have, so it has OpenSCAD on the bottom. Sorry, I'm zooming in and out. I can't tell if this is the model though, because it's kind of moving a little bit. But it does look like to be like a triangular shape. Oh, there we go. It just
Oh,
loaded.
sorry.
Okay, that's okay. So this looks to be a pretty decent Christmas tree. So it has a rounded bottom. There's
Okay.
nothing on the bottom below the Christmas tree. It's very cartoonish, and it's green, different shades of green with ornaments with blue, purplish pink, darker blue, white maybe, yellow, and the tree is slightly moving, maybe with your mouse pointer. I don't know. Oh, it's just showing you that you can move it. Um, as it rotates though, it looks like the ornaments are kind of coming off the tree a little bit, like they're not attached to the tree itself. So that's something to know if you're going to 3D print this, is that the ornaments they may not attach to the tree. Um, like they're floating around the tree almost. And then the top part has kind of like a star, but it's squat. Like it's, so instead of like the star being up with the top of the star pointing upwards, it almost looks like it is a star ornament that is laid on its side.
Hmm.
So a couple things to maybe prompt is like, I want the star to stand vertically, and that you want to make sure that the trees are attached. And then you may want a stand on the bottom to kind of prop up the Christmas tree, because it almost looks like it's completely rounded, but I can't tell.
Where's Michael at? What does he think?
It could be a cone shape too. I don't know if he's on.
I can't really look at it at the moment, so you guys are on your own.
I would say, Taylor, make the ornaments attached, change the star orientation, and then make some kind of base. Make sure the base is flat.
Okay. Let me go to Copilot.
My
Don't let
recommendation
us.
is make the Christmas tree into a tree ornament where you could put a hook through it. That is kind of the biggest thing that people want. Buy is tree ornaments. Like make a little Christmas tree that can hang on your Christmas tree.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe on the top of the star have a little hole to put a hook in.
So do we still want so make
Don't worry about the base then.
okay, ornaments attach and then make the all right, we'll start with and then have put all right. Again, I probably won't finish this now, but at least this will show how I can iterate on this because it
Y'all
can
let us know what we should make next, or if you have any models or ideas that you would like to see made. Um, Techopolis has a store that we sell 3D printed products through. Um, and maybe, we can make a model that you can use yourself. Who knows? Let's see. Okay. Still going?
Yes. Oh, I'm glad I'm not sharing my audio. My audio is going a little crackly, crackly. All right. Let's see if I can go keep it or not keep it. I'm gonna go. Here we go.
All right. It looks like the old one's still up.
Yep, because I haven't pasted the new one yet.
Okay.
Now I will. I think it's loading.
Nothing's changed. You may need to
Okay.
refresh and then paste it in.
This thing takes a while because it's. And this is a big model, so.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. My whole browser, like, it's taking up all my resources. Yeah, I probably should use the OpenSCAD program, but I just don't like it. It's kind of a pain in the butt.
I'm not a fan either, but what are the two that you used? OpenSCAD.cloud
Playground.
and OpenSCAD.playground?
OpenSCADplayground.com.
OpenSCAD Playground.
This is like not working. Okay. Here. Let me close it.
I don't know if it'll let me add this link or not. Oh, I can't even chat. That's cool.
Ugh, I'll have to make you a moderator.
Oh, I guess I'm not signed in on here. Well, that's okay. I'll add it this way. Hey, stop blocking my orientation. Thank you.
Oh, I mean, OpenSCAD Playground. I typed in. Yeah, this software is interesting. It works. I think because if I'm on Zoom and it doesn't always work while I'm on Zoom. Go. It's still working on it.
Oh my god, it worked, I think. Let's see.
Wait, no, what?
Hey,
Eek.
why it doesn't let me add links?
Because,
Oh, it didn't. That's funny.
spam. Eek.
Thought I was gonna get creative.
Ah, here we go.
Alright, let's look at it.
Oh,
Okay.
that didn't sound promising.
Mm, it looks like it tried to make a ring, but it doesn't look like. It looks like the star got kind of messed up. I don't know how well that's going to be hooked. It might work. The ornaments look to be more attached. Same green shapes, and it's not completely even on the edges like a Christmas tree would be. That top is a little concerning, but it's not horrible.
But I mean, it'll probably take me a few more times, but
I think it needs a little bit of work still, um, but it's looking a lot better. That star still needs to be like vertical and it needs to be maybe smaller, and then
So here, yeah.
the ring needs to be vertically as well.
All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go to my chat.
You want to try one more iteration?
Yeah, I'm gonna say please.
Make the star and ring vertical.
So I told it to look at other like Christmas trees online, right? So it can kind of have a good
Good,
picture of it,
okay.
and then I said make the
Christmas tree
painting.
ornaments, though, did you add that?
Uh, well, I told to look make like because there's other pictures of Christmas trees, right? And I put in there. I think anyway, I'll have to look at it. We'll see what I get. I'm gonna just do one
Okay,
iteration, and we'll be done with this.
sounds good.
Uh, working. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Okay, that's quick. Oh, I guess it's done already. Okay. I don't know that did anything. We'll see. It's a little concerning. Let's see. It's gonna load. Probably have to. I don't know why. I think because I have Zoom and all this other stuff it's taking forever.
Yeah, still the same one.
Yeah, let me go into the OpenSCAD player program. I hate it, but it might be faster than this. Let's see, OpenSCAD. Oh yeah, it's lagging. Hold on. Open.
Okay.
Nope. Okay,
So
here. Let's.
someone says SNC says the star just needs to raise up a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely an improvement.
Yeah.
Thank
Let's
you for
see
the
after we launch it.
suggestions. Keep them coming.
Hold on. What's going on here? Hold on. Wait, let me go back. I'm going too far. Playground. Let's try this again. Every time, could be because it's in such a big model, it like takes up the entire resources.
All right,
There we
now
go.
it's loading.
Now we're good.
Oh, goodness.
It's loading. There we go.
Ah, all
What
right.
what do we got now?
Christmas tree looks good. Star just needs to raise up a little bit. Same kind of star issue. The ring is raised more. The ring is vertical. The star is not. So. And it looks like some of the ornaments are not quite attached still. They're
I
barely
mean,
hanging on there. I don't know if they would stay on with a 3D print.
probably not.
Yeah. We'll have to
Just
keep
have it
working on it.
remove the ornament.
Just have it remove the ornaments, he says.
Okay. But I mean, do we want to do another iteration, or are we done with this for now?
Let's try removing them and see what it does. And then if it doesn't work, we may call it good for tonight because I still have to make the drive back home. So let's see what we
But
get.
it's still. I mean, this is still pretty all right.
Oh yeah, it's getting better. The only thing is like the ornaments, they're good. They are in the model, they look to be attached, but not by much. So I feel like they may fall off in a print. So only thing.
Oh wow, it's like toggleable code. Okay. Wow.
Huh,
Cool.
okay.
All right. Cool. That's all right. I don't know if this is gone. Look. Oh dear. Oh, it did.
Okay. Star on top still the same.
Well,
That is
yeah.
one bare Christmas tree.
Only thing I
It's
hang up.
not bad. It's just uneven and very green. I don't know. It's up to Michael, but it's better than it was.
I wonder what Michael thinks. Cause that's.
You will have to show him at some point. Let me mute. Oh, I'm not in Zoom. Give me a second. Come on, man. Oh, I am in. Wait, what? Here we go.
I'm gonna get hiccups. No.
The color will not come through. I think I'd like to see a model.
You would like to see a mod?
I think I'd like to see. I can't really make out the star. It looks squished at the top. Like it's squished in the tree.
It's in.
Um,
It did. Oh dear. Oh dear me.
so what I would probably do, and we don't have to do this now, but I would remove the star and just have a hook the ring on the top of the tree.
But would you still?
Um, maybe because it's just kind of a rounded tree. I don't know that I would detail too much, but some. Again, I would want to be able to rotate and look more at it.
Would you like to still see it?
Not a lot of code either.
Would you like to see it?
Yeah, let's go ahead and finish the process and show how we export and all that.
All right. So here's what we do. I can stop hiccuping, and we hit render. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me render. I did that because I wasn't sure if it would. I've. Oh wow. Now I can hit download STL. Oh dear. Okay, now I'm gonna go in my folder. Export one, put in my iCloud drive with Michael. Boom. Michael, it's all yours. It's in the drive.
Okay, let me go import it into Bamboo Studio. We'll take a
And
look.
you'll give the verdict.
Yes, I will. And we can do that before we end stream.
And this is how we do things, y'all. Michael has to verify. Trust me, if Michael did not verify, we'd have some embarrassingly bad prints.
Well, this is really cool. I'm excited. This is neat.
Okay, so open my slicer. We use a program called a slicer, which is Bamboo Studio is the one that I use. There's a lot of different slicers out there. We're going to create a new project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab this Christmas tree.
It's called Export One.
Export one. Okay.
Yeah, I just usually grab the name from the slicer.
All right, let's find it real quick. You know what? It actually doesn't look that bad. Holy crap.
Oh, did I make that noise? Oh.
That's not bad.
Wait, really?
It looks like that on OpenSCAD because of the angle. Right. Let's see.
Wait, can you tell me what's happening?
The star's in the top of the tree. No. I actually like it a lot. Look, here's it from the bottom. Oh, it's not on this one, but I'm fine with it looking like this.
Why is that?
Oops. Oh, that's neat.
So let me walk over here so I'm not double muting here.
Yeah, can you guys can you tell the stream
Oh,
what's going on?
what we're seeing is there's a structure to the Christmas tree. There's actually a lot more detailing than we thought there would be. And it looks like the star is in the top of the tree. Like it looks very nice. I don't know how to describe that structure though. That's exciting. It has a staggered edge. So on OpenSCAD, because of the angle, it looked very flat. But this actually has ridges like a Christmas tree would have.
What is Michael saying?
It looks like it's in the tree, like the way the model is. Oh wow. Let's see. Oh wow, it looks like it's inside the tree. That is so neat. Oh wow. Oh, I really wish you'd shared your screen. I know.
Do we need Michael share screen?
He's not on Zoom on his computer, but we should print and you should post a picture of it when it's done. So send us thumbs up in the chat if you would like to see a follow-up picture.
How many people do we have right now, Lauren?
1 second, let me check.
And do we have any chats?
Absolutely.
Oh boy.
Hang on, let me look. I don't know. 5 people watching. Thank you so much for joining us today. It has been a really cool one. Let me look at chats real quick. I need to catch up a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Mm, just nope, no more chats. But please, if you have any questions or chats or comments, feel free to add them now before we head out tonight.
This has been amazing.
Hang on 1 second. I'm going to let's see. video. Now you can see me. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. Is there anything else that you wanted to cover before we left for
Nope.
today?
Does Michael have any closing remarks?
Michael, you got any final remarks, final comments?
I think this has been a great stream. I'm actually really excited to print this Christmas tree.
How long do you think that one's gonna take?
That will take probably 2 to 3 hours to print, I'm guessing, but it will not be tonight.
Well, check out our Instagram. I will post it over there on Instagram if you'd like to
Okay.
see it. When we finish it, I will post it on the Techopolis Instagram, and you can check it out. So make sure that you're following all of us on social media: Michael Taylor, Techopolis, myself, all the people.
All right, y'all. I think it's time we head out. It's been a great stream, and I am super excited. And we'll be doing more of these, I'm sure, right?
I've had a really great time. This has been so much fun. I was telling Michael, I was like, this has been the first live in quite a while that I've just really had fun. So,
I mean,
thank you.
this is not a formal Techopolis live, but who knows?
No, but it's been great. So, thank
It's
you.
been a crazy times with Taylor. I'm kidding. Anyway, okay, before I get too crazy, let's go ahead and head out, y'all. Thank you for being here. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody you know how awesome this channel is if you like it. And yeah, let's try to spread the word. And also join the Discord. I have all the links in the description. So join all of our social medias. I think everybody is linked in there. So look at the link tree. And yeah, have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, you're welcome. Bye. So I'm gonna end. If I know how to use Zoom right now. That's a good question.
Zoom. Plus. Window.
Zoom. Nope. Zoom. Where's Zoom?